I feel the perfect Farida Jalal would have been played by
Please don't say Rekha.
Pankaj Tripathi, because he plays these kind
Bro,
of roles.
no,
Yeah, I know,
bro.
very boring answer.
So I also thought Pankaj Tripathi, but
So Rohan played by Hrithik Roshan in the original.
Yes.
Snehal, who do you have?
my choice for Rohan
पौधा हटा के
यहाँ पे ऑस्कर रख देंगे.
Correct.
बेस्ट फ्रेंड है मेरा. उस हम लोग पॉडकास्ट डिस्कस करते हैं.
But are you his best friend?
He's like
Yes,
so my
please.
Robbie is based on the Suhana Khan casting actually.
Okay. So I
You're not a
actually
Coldplay fan.
don't like Coldplay. I'm not even kidding.
सच में?
Because ना लखनऊ का कुर्ता ना पठानी सलवार.
When people ask me, am I a tits guy or an ass guy? That's what I reply. Hello and welcome to Pop Conversation. My name is Abbas. On this episode, I'm joined by my two friends, co-hosts.
Two friends, co-hosts.
I'm joined by
Snehal Aneja.
and
अंतरिक्ष.
अंतरिक्ष अभी तक
Boy, I
डिसबिलीफ
haven't
में है. अंतरिक्ष अभी तक डिसबिलीफ में है कि कैसे
Yeah,
स्टार्ट किया.
I'm very thrown aback.
एक
By that
you think YouTube will demonetize us in the first 30 seconds? कि ये क्या गंदा
So
open किया है?
is this a joke that you actually had, like, you know, as a kid that you like cracked over the years?
No, I
lot?
had this joke as an adult which I wanted to crack somewhere and I got that
Wow,
opportunity.
dude, wow.
और
today.
इस जोक के लिए आपने 3 बार बिल्डअप लिया.
Yeah,
गाइस
yeah, yeah.
आज ओपन मैं करूंगा.
आज, guys,
मेरे पास बहुत सही
sorted है मेरे पास.
जोक है. मेरे पास
Like
बहुत
I
सही
used to
जोक
have,
है.
like, why I asked that is because I used to have a ritual with Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum as a
Which
kid with my cousins. Whenever someone would say just Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum, the other person has to say Tara Ram Pam Pam just because it rhymes. So it's Kabhi
there was
Khushi
a
Kabhi
song
Gum,
also,
Tara
no?
Ram Pam Pam.
Kabhi khushi kabhi gum.
Tara Ram Pam. Yeah, that makes sense. That's why.
Ah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Wow. If I knew that, I forgot it. That's what the reason was.
But why are we singing this song today, guys?
Because
Hmm.
ना लखनऊ का कुर्ता ना पठानी सलवार.
ये कल
मर्द
लेकर आया
मर्द
picture.
मर्द तो दिल ते. नहीं-
What?
नहीं तो हो बेकार. I'm pretty sure that's the line. That's the line. That's when Kajol and Shah Rukh meet.
I think दोबारा.
No, it's better this way. It's better that I fuck it up this royally. Dude, firstly, we are doing K3G recast today.
Yes.
Yes.
Because like so many other films, K3G also is in a theater as once
Yes,
again.
re-released
Yes.
and now that the entire cast is dead, it's about time that someone goes and tries to recast it.
recast.
Because
I
why
think-
else would we do this stupid
I think
thing.
this is the most difficult
Absolutely, that's why-
recasting that I've done.
नहीं, I won't say that.
भाई
about-
अभी तक के इतने सारे recasting episodes किए हमने.
This is definitely
I think
the most
this
difficult.
is
अंदाज अपना अपना नहीं, अंदाज अपना अपना नहीं किया
Ulta,
है।
Andaz was easier. I'll
अंदाज
tell you
अपना
why.
अपना किया
Oh, we
हमने.
have done it? Okay.
Yeah, I'll tell you why Andaz Apna Apna was way easier to recast because that was like those actors have aged out of all those
Yeah.
things.
Correct.
It seems
yes.
like a lot of the actors are still in that mold that they could easily fill back in these roles.
For K3G.
Very-
For
for
K3G,
K3G.
exactly. Like Amitabh can still play Amitabh.
Yeah, like exactly.
Jaya Bachchan can still play Jaya Bachchan.
Yeah.
Actually, मुझे पता है
You
K3G.
mean Mr. Aichan and Nandini?
Yeah, so the thing is कि जब हम लोग ये डिसाइड भी कर रहे थे ना
Right,
कि हमें
son.
ये करना है कि नहीं करना है, मैं एक्चुअली सोच रहा था कि K3G का इन्होंने लेटेस्ट वर्जन रॉकी रानी में बना दिया है,
हाँ, actually.
तो
yeah.
हम लोग क्या ही रिकास्ट करेंगे.
Correct.
बट देन एक दिन में डिसाइड करना था टॉपिक.
Fair
By
enough.
the way, we should point out that for a change,
Oh, yes.
with 2 consecutive episodes in the same
In the same studio.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
And a lovely studio it
And
is.
a lovely studio it is, and that's
Shout out to
all thanks to Vasu
Vasu bhai.
जो पीछे बैठे हैं एकदम. और वो अभी एकदम ऑस्कर नॉमिनेशन से निकल गए हैं because he's also there in
His
Lapata
movie,
Ladies.
his movie has gone for the Oscars, man.
Yeah.
Yes.
Lapata Ladies
Yeah.
with Vasu in it.
Yes.
Is in the
इससे
Oscars.
पहले कि उनको ऑस्कर मिले और हमको लात मार के निकाला।
तो हमने पहले उनसे डील क्रैक कर लिए. They are our official venue partners,
Location
and
partners, venue
hopefully
partners.
you will see us in this studio more often.
Yes.
More often क्या? अब
यही
till the
देखेंगे.
end of time.
मतलब, भाई the thing is उनको मिल गया ऑस्कर तो वो निकाल देंगे ना हमें कि
यहाँ-
चलो
यहाँ
बे
पौधा हटा के यहाँ
पे
ऑस्कर
ऑस्कर
रखा
रख
है।
देंगे.
Correct. हाँ.
अपना नहीं तो किसी और का ही सही.
हाँ, exactly. इसी बहाने.
We'll put the details of the studio in the description
Yes,
so you can
yes.
check out.
The studio is called OSS. इसका फुल फॉर्म है कुछ, मैं वो
Our-
डाल
our-
दूंगा.
Our क्या?
स्पेशल सॉन्ग,
Our special song.
स्पेशल सॉन्ग.
Yes.
सिग्नल कर रहे हैं और डील ऑफ हो गई.
अच्छा, ओ शिट, दे लाइक अब ज्यादा पैसे दो सालों.
So I just watched K3G in
एक
theaters.
सेकंड दोस्तों, पहले एक बात बताओ, ये हम लोग ऑन अ रोल नहीं है. पिछला एपिसोड रेड बुल, इस एपिसोड ओएसएस.
Oh my god!
Oh
It's
my
just
God.
the beginning, bro.
It's just the beginning,
In
bro.
fact, I was just about to say, you want to tell them about the competition that we are holding. The person who gives us the best comment is getting 2 free Coldplay tickets. Yeah. You want to tell them about it?
Correct, 100%. Yeah, without
Yeah,
doubt.
yeah.
It's
मेरे
because
पास
we,
नहीं
we
है.
got the tickets, but we have no interest in good Coldplay at all. Like,
Not at
Coldplay
all.
sucks. One of the worst bands in history. Of course, everyone will agree, right?
But एक second.
Did you guys apply? Did you guys
Of course, dude.
Apply.
मतलब
Application
एप्लीकेशन डालता ना तो शायद ज्यादा चांसेस थे पता है सिलेक्शन के.
Were you
आप बैठे
guys-
थे, क्यों में बैठे थे?
No, so by the time I woke up and I saw the status update, जैसे मैंने देखा हर कोई यही अपने स्क्रीनशॉट पोस्ट कर रहा था.
कितने बजे उठे थे आप?
12:30 I think.
12:30 तक तो 6 बार सोल्ड
हाँ,
आउट
तो
हो गया
वही.
था.
तो मैं ऑलरेडी देख रहा था लोग लगा रहे 99,000 लोग आर इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू इन द क्यू.
ब्रो,
So then I
99
was like, fuck it, then there's no point.
99,000 मतलब 99,000, और वो गुड डील है इस टाइम पे. ऐसा हाल था. आप बैठे थे क्यों में?
So I
You're not a
actually
Coldplay fan?
don't like Coldplay. I'm not even kidding.
सच में?
I don't. I know like all of 2 songs,
कौन से?
Yellow and Paradise, and I've heard 1 or 2 more.
अप
Maybe.
एंड अप नहीं सुना आपने?
मतलब सुना रहेगा. That's the thing. I'm not a fan. I don't seek them out. I actually don't like them. I don't like that guy's face. I'm
Okay,
actually just shitting on
hipster.
him.
Okay,
ठीक है
fine,
भाई.
bro.
I'm just shitting on them for the sake of shitting on them. No? But I'm just not a fan. Okay.
Okay.
So, but the thing is,
फोमो इतना क्रिएट हो गया लाइफ में.
thing is, Kirti, my fiance, is who's also not a fan. Gave
Okay.
into FOMO, dude. Exactly.
Ah.
Gave into FOMO and fucking got on the wait list. She got like first she got into like 60,000.
Bro, that's
Then-
very good.
Then she refreshed the page and went to 4 lakhs.
Fuck, bro.
Yeah, that's insane.
So I actually woke up early to sit in the queue line, whatever. भाई मैं 11:45 पे मैं 4 डिवाइसेस रेडी करके बैठा हुआ था कि सब पे
क्या बात इतना बड़ा fan
genuinely
तू?
bro, I genuinely wanted to attend. So the thing is, Coldplay मेरे birthday weekend पे आ रहा है. My birthday is on 17 January and their show is on the 18 January, which is my birthday weekend.
Ab if you don't get birthday wishes on your birthday after saying it out loud to the audience.
You know what
That
would
you
be a
know.
great gift to give to Snehal?
Coldplay tickets, guys.
Oh,
Please. So
I thought Tarzan the Wonder Car.
bro, this Tarzan thing has to bro.
Last week somebody said, I can't believe I'm agreeing with the guy who
Yeah,
loves Tarzan.
bro, like I think so people जिन्होंने podcast सुना है but they don't follow me, अगर उनको कोई टार्जन का रील दिख जाता है ना, वो मुझे फॉलो करते हैं
That's
जस्ट टू
correct.
सेंड मी दैट
I'm
रील.
sure, I'm
उस वजह से मेरे फॉलोअर्स
Hey, that's great. What a great hack. Hey, I hate welcome.
बट एनीवे, सो व्हाट हैपेंड वाज,
love
मैं
it.
सुबह उठ के 4 डिवाइसेस पे रेडी बैठा हूँ कि भाई मुझे वो 12 बजे आई जस्ट क्लिक बुक और मैं घुस जाऊंगा क्यू में. भाई आई वाज वन ऑफ द फ्यू अनफॉर्चुनेट वंस जिनका कमिंग सून वाला बटन बुक में कन्वर्ट ही नहीं हुआ. मेरा कमिंग सून
क्या
वाला
बात कर
बटन
रहे हैं?
या मेरा और 4 डिवाइसेस पे मेरा कमिंग सून वाला
पर
बटन
वाईफाई में प्रॉब्लम होगा.
bro. So
Imagine getting
bro, no,
fucked by
exactly,
Wi-Fi.
you're right.
हाँ,
So the thing is, a lot of theories are coming up. अब तो चलो in hindsight वाली बात है, but जितने मेरे 3-4 दोस्तों ने उनको मिली हैं टिकट्स, all of them were on mobile data. None of them were on Wi-Fi.
चेंज कर अपना वाईफाई.
So also
what they don't want rich people. in
no,
that
so the
show?
thing is, so I'll tell you, so मेरा 12:15 बजे या 12:20 पे मेरा कमिंग सून वाला बटन
Change
बुक
हुआ.
में कन्वर्ट हुआ. मैंने फटाफट उस पे लॉग इन किया. I joined in at 92,000, 93,000, which I thought was a good number.
There were 1 lakh tickets in total, right?
Yeah, so I thought easily मिल जाएगा. Easily तो क्या मतलब?
92 is a huge wait list for a 1 lakh. है.
I know,
कैसे
but
होएगा?
भाई देखो डूबते को तिनके का सहारा होता है. 1 लाख
But
का
नहीं,
टिकट
what
मैंने
I'm thinking is, the way I'm thinking, कि अगर 10,000 के बाद हो गया तुम्हारा वेट लिस्ट, why are you waiting still?
So the thing is, भाई
Is anyone?
भाई
Not-
वन ऑफ माय फ्रेंड्स पता है उसके साथ क्या हुआ, बेचारी पहुंच गई, लैंडिंग पेज पे पहुंच गई, टिकट्स सिलेक्ट करने पे पहुंच गई, उसका सर्वर क्रैश कर गया जब वो पेमेंट पे जा रही थी.
Okay.
सो
Man, that's just
ब्रो
fuck.
बुक माई शो
Can you sue Book My
Yeah,
Show?
I mean, a lot of people are considering
lot of
that.
people
Yeah.
are like
What are you gonna do,
lashing
man?
out at Book
What are you
My
gonna
Show.
do?
Yeah, you can't do anything.
Yeah.
I mean, see, I mean, Book My Show is the primary ticketing place where people go. You also put your tickets up on Book My Show.
Yeah.
So you have to be careful about how much we shit on it.
I
I
mean-
just feel like there should. I
Are
wish
you
there-
scared of shitting on Book
I'm
My
not
Show,
scared
bro?
of them. I just feel like there should be. What if they want to come on as a sponsor, guys?
जिस दिन हम लोग ये शो टिकेटेड करेंगे ना दोस्तों, देखो
हम inside Paytm insider में डालेंगे.
Which is going to become Book My Show live events very soon.
Is it?
yeah.
Yeah, Paytm. They've bought out Paytm's का
Oh, wow.
Paytm का
So
live.
they're a monopoly now,
Yeah,
right?
exactly.
So exactly. So the thing is कि अब
That's
क्या
a Ticketmaster shit, dude.
Yeah, exactly.
That's what
So,
the
अब क्या-
Ticketmaster is fucking up so right now.
so क्या हुआ है Book My Show? A lot of people are coming out and saying कि आपको वो करना चाहिए कि जो बंदा so just to curb black marketing at this point, जो भी इंसान टिकट बुक कर रहा है, attach the ticket to the buyer's name.
Yeah.
जो फीफा ने किया था 2022 वर्ल्ड कप में. सो फीफा ने क्या किया था कि अगर आप टिकट बुक कर रहे हो ना,
Yeah.
जब आप टिकट बुक कर रहे हो तो वो आपके नाम जो आपने प्रोफाइल बनाया है वो वर्ल्ड कप देखने के लिए उससे अटैच हो जाएगा, जो उन्होंने हया कार्ड बनाया था उस टाइम पे.
Okay.
तो हया कार्ड से अटैच हो जाएगा सो दैट यू कैन नॉट रीसेल इट at like exorbitant prices at this point.
Oh, that
But
is
you know what
cool.
this means, right? At the venue, the day of the event.
Yeah.
Then right now what happens is they just scan you and they let you in, right? If that happens, then there's additional scan matchup that needs to happen, right? That this ticket is it's like you do at airports, that this person's ticket is.
Yeah, but then
That involves more people to check, more technology, more of that.
नहीं, सिर्फ भाई देखो आपने टिकट पे नाम लिखा हुआ आ जाता था तो वो
But sup-
ऑटोमेटिकली
suppose
लिंक हो गया
मैंने
ना.
टिकट बुक किया,
हाँ
मैंने
जी.
मैंने ब्लैक करके तेरे को भेज दिया.
हाँ.
अब तू वो टिकट लेके वेन्यू पे
हाँ.
गया, वो स्कैन हुआ,
हाँ.
and it doesn't match.
हाँ, तो मुझे वो घुसने नहीं देंगे. वो वहां पे पता चल जाएगा कि आपने ब्लैक मार्केटिंग किया है इस टिकट का, बिकॉज दिस इज नॉट एन ऑफिशियल रीसेल. सो फीफा वर्ल्ड कप में क्या किया था 22 एडिशन में कि उन्होंने रीसेलिंग प्लेटफॉर्म फीफा ने ही खोल लिया था.
Okay.
सो जैसे अगर मैंने
खुद ही ब्लैक किया उन्होंने.
ब्लैक नहीं किया ना, सो वही, सो दे वर बाउंड टू रीसेल
It's
एट द
like-
सेम प्राइस.
It's like
Got
Nike's resale market, no? Isn't it like
So
isn't Nike part of its own resale market?
वो तो conspiracy theories हैं which I think
अच्छा.
is true also, but anyway.
Okay.
So अब जैसे Dua Lipa का कॉन्सर्ट भी होने वाला है अभी, तो Zomato ने भी ये किया कि उन्होंने जो रीसेल का ऑप्शन दिया वो if you're not able to go, you have to resell it back to
Got it. To the
Zomato,
platform, हाँ.
so that Zomato can resell it to actual fans जो जाने वाले हैं at the same ticketed price.
Got it.
इससे क्या होगा, आपका ब्लैक मार्केटिंग कम हो जाएगा टिकट्स का. अब ये क्या हो रहा है, कोल्ड व्हेन सो एवरीबॉडी इज लाइक व्हेन बुक माई शो न्यू कि कोल्ड प्ले का ये सब होने वाला है,
So why weren't they prepared?
व्हाई वोंट दे
I
प्रिपेयर.
actually think they underestimated. They didn't think these many people
भाई
will.
ऐसा भाई कोल्ड प्ले is
they are the
officially
biggest-
reviewed as the best concert in the world
Is it
right
really?
now. Yes.
You feel bad now, Antariksh, for not
I
being
mean,
a fan.
actually not really.
So, bro, the thing is, I love Coldplay. I love the first 3 albums. They're
Yeah.
very essential to my life. But after that, I didn't follow them much. And as much as I like them, I'm not gonna pay a lakh
That's what.
to
no.
go watch
So
them
पहले
live,
होना भी तो
dude.
चाहिए ना उतना.
So the thing is,
10,000 भी मेरे को बहुत, हाँ, वो
No,
तो छोड़ ही
that's
दे.
a comment on myself, not on
अगर
you.
हाँ
I
मेरे
don't
पास
know.
भी अगर एक
हाँ,
लाख
ठीक
रुपए तो मैं सोच रहा हूँ कि अगर मैंने 1 लाख का टिकट ले लिया तो मेरे पास DY पाटिल जाने के लिए पैसे नहीं रहेंगे
So
यार
the
cab
thing
में.
is again, so 18th जनवरी को ये लोग मुंबई में परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं, उससे एक हफ्ता पहले 11th जनवरी को ये लोग अबू धाबी में परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं.
Everybody's planning to fly
So
there.
now the thing is कि जो ब्लैक मार्केटिंग के बाद जो लोग प्राइसेस दे रहे हैं यहाँ के, so like on an average 6,000 वाला जो टिकट था वो अब 40,000 का बिक रहा है
हाँ.
ब्लैक
Okay.
मार्केट में,
Okay.
which is crazy at this point. ठीक है, तो अब लोगों ने उसका कैलकुलेशन निकाला है कि यहाँ से रिटर्न टिकट अबू धाबी का 20,000 का आ रहा है
हाँ.
और वहाँ का जो MRP है वो 6,000 रुपए का है. तो तुम लिटरली 26,000 में, विच इज हाफ द प्राइस ऑलमोस्ट, आप अबू धाबी का ट्रिप लेके अटेंड करके वापस आ सकते हो एंड यू स्टिल सेव 20,000 रुपीज.
So then everyone should just do that.
Yeah.
So that's what
Visa-
the-
That's what
visa
people are
versus-
planning to do that.
Is it visa on
I
arrival?
think on arrival.
अरे
हाँ, Dubai I
bro,
think on arrival है.
Exactly.
that is awesome, dude. Just do. Why don't you just do that then?
भाई मेरे पास क्योंकि 25,000 भी नहीं है.
Okay.
एक मिनट, अच्छा Emirates की नहीं, Emirates की
Emirates
t-shirt
नहीं,
नहीं
this is
पहनी
team
तूने.
Emirates वाली मेरी मड्रिड की टी शर्ट है.
Point we're trying to make, guys, is if you are one of the lucky ones who got a Coldplay
Yeah, and if you're
ticket,
actually willing to sell it or you
And
have
if
like a
you're like,
couple of
yeah.
tickets to spare, it's my birthday weekend, guys.
these 3 podcasters deserve
मैं-
more than
Wow.
me.
Am I actually like leveraging my professional space to like beg for tickets at this point?
Why not?
Yeah, why not?
मेरा
What else is
पर-
this for, man?
मेरा
But-
birthday है, मेरे को ticket
अगर
दे
तेरे
दो
को ऐसा
कोई.
कोई मिल गया, like what is the bargain here? What will they get if they give you a ticket? ticket for.
Shout out, I guess.
That's
I don't know.
it? That's
मतलब
it?
I'll pay for the tickets, dude. Obviously, I'll
Hey,
pay for the
Rahul,
tickets.
thank you
yeah.
for the tickets. That's it.
I'll pay for the tickets. Come on the podcast. और क्या कर सकते हैं?
हाँ, like
बताओ?
कम से कम वो तो बोल दे के.
Come on the podcast. I'll take you out for a nice dinner or like for a film.
Oh, and you'll have sex with them. Nice. That's a good. That's
So
a good
I'm basically pimping myself out
for tickets.
for
वाह,
Coldplay
क्या
tickets.
दिन आ गए.
क्या ही दिन आ गए यार. देखो फटाफट सब्सक्राइब करो ताकि ये ना करना पड़े, dude.
That's so funny.
But
Okay.
yeah,
But
what
yeah.
are we doing today,
Enough
guys?
about shitty bands.
Let's get to shitty movies.
Oh.
Yay. So I
But
just
you
I
actually
just
went.
watched.
मुझे सच में जाना है guys. Coldplay please. अगर किसी के पास कोई लीड हो तो बताना.
Guys, I would say fuck Coldplay. If you ever get K3G tickets in black, buy them, because I for sure had one of my best ever
Theatrical
movie going
experiences.
experiences
Okay.
watching K3G again back in theaters again.
Yes.
I don't know how many days was it back in theater, like 2-3 days only, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Isn't it still running?
अभी भी है.
Maybe yeah.
हाँ हाँ.
Okay,
we are
so
recording on 24th of September.
Yes.
And
Okay.
it's still running, I think, yeah.
okay, cool. So I caught it this past Saturday in theaters, a packed theater,
Yeah.
fully packed.
This is so surprising. I watched Tumbad, 11:30 p.m. show, 60% full.
Bro, मैं तो तुम्बाड़ देखने गया था पूरा पैक था.
Yeah, anyway.
Yeah. Yeah, so fucking packed theater, okay? Movie starts, people are wooing this thing. What a great time. People are having a great time. They're reciting entire
of
lines.
course, yeah.
And not just one line. Kajol ki puri line. Sari ladkiyan in the audience, they all know all the
Gamla.
lines.
Yeah.
All that. Ashfaq Mia. Gamla nahi
Bro, there's actually a reel going viral right now as we speak, जिसमें someone has recorded a video in the theater where people are reciting the lines as they are speaking in
Yeah.
on the screen. That conversation. Oh hello, Mr. Right.
Yeah.
वो वाला.
Dude, might just be my theater.
हो
because all
सकता
that
है,
was-
हो सकता है, हो
that's
सकता है.
absolutely happening,
हो
dude.
सकता है, हो सकता
Yeah.
है.
Hello, sugar. Yeah, all of
Would
that.
you like some tea?
Yeah,
With a
so-
drop of lemon in it.
So amazing. Okay, every song, every
Yeah.
single song,
Yeah.
people went in front of the
Yeah.
screen and started dancing. I'm full on dancing, dude.
Yeah.
What an atmosphere! It wasn't this good an atmosphere when we saw it last time, because
Of course, yeah.
it was a new movie.
Yeah.
Now it's a classic, so everyone knows everything. Everyone's seen it a million and one times.
Yeah.
So people who actually want to be there are there.
Yeah.
Nobody's testing waters and all this
Yes.
anymore, right?
ऐसा कुछ होता है ये टाइम हुआ था जब मैं कुछ होता है देखने गया था.
I'm sure,
जब
yeah.
शाहरुख भी आया था वहाँ पे.
Man, so Karan
तब
Johar
उसके
की
बाद भी तूने उसको
Yeah.
overrated पढ़ाला.
Bro.
शर्म कर.
करण जोहर की क्या किस्मत तो मतलब
Bro,
खुली हुई है।
जो-
इसीलिए मैं बोल रहा हूँ वो
हाँ.
आदमी ने बॉलीवुड चेंज कर दिया, भले आपको पसंद हो नहीं पसंद.
Fair enough, man.
But
fair
tell
enough.
me something, the movie is what 3.5 hours long and you still went to it,
Bro.
sat through the whole freaking
Dude,
movie.
I'll tell you, you especially feel the 3.5 hours in the last like half an hour. You know
Yeah.
why?
Why?
Because
सारा मेलो है ना.
everyone's just crying.
Yeah.
There is no smile for the last 30 minutes at all in the film.
Yeah.
And you forget when you're at home, you stop watching by then. Because, dude, इतना रोना धोना तो रियल लाइफ में हो ही नहीं सकता किसी के यहाँ पे यार.
Yeah.
कि हर सीन में करीना भी रो रही है, काजोल भी रो रही है, ऋतिक भी रो रहा है, शाहरुख भी, माँ बाप तो रो ही रहे हैं.
घर आ जाओ भैया.
खड़े वक्त रो
Also,
रहे
you notice, like, again, because you see it,
Yeah.
every few years you watch it again,
Yeah.
and then you notice more things about the film. Hrithik has, I would say, Bollywood's best English accent when he speaks in Hindi, right? Would you
Oh,
agree?
yeah, of course, of course.
भैया आ जाइए भैया.
नहीं
Also-
नहीं ऐस भाई वो
Yeah.
जब वो रोता है घर आ जाओ भैया.
Yeah.
भैया घर आ.
He sounds like an English person.
Yeah.
Slightly better than Captain Russell trying to talk in Hindi.
भाई मैं
very
आपको
wild.
ऋतिक के एक्सेंट की एक बात बताता हूँ. जिंदगी ना मिलेगी दोबारा में ना एक सीन है जहाँ पे स्टार्टिंग में जब वो तीनों बार पे बैठे होते हैं एंड लाइक कि डूड तुझे आज आ जाना चाहिए था, हम इसकी गैलरी ढूंढते ढूंढते पता नहीं कहाँ चले गए एंड इज लाइक आज मैंने इतना 2000
हाँ, excuse me
हाँ,
if I-
ठीक
if I
है,
don't
but
complain.
if I don't complain, ठीक है. वो कुकी वाला पूरा सीन होता है
हाँ.
एंड ही गेट्स अप एंड ही गोज एंड देन फरहान अख्तर कहता है ऋतिक को कि लिसन थैंक्स फॉर कमिंग ऑन दिस ट्रिप, इट मीन्स अ लॉट टू मी. और फिर वो कहता है वेल आई एम श्योर इट डज. भाई ये लाइन मेरे को
Sure
फॉर
does.
द लॉन्गेस्ट टाइम समझ में नहीं आई थी क्योंकि एक तो वो खा रहा है ऊपर से वो एक्सेंट से बोलता है और वो अपना मुंह 1 सेंटीमीटर से ज्यादा नहीं खोलता इंग्लिश बोलते हुए. भाई लिजिट मुझे Amazon Prime पे सबटाइटल्स ऑन करके मुझे समझ में आया था कि इसने बोला well I'm sure it does.
Yeah, I absolutely agree. Yes, so Ritik is like that.
But hottie
Another-
bro, hottie.
Another thing, that one of my most favorite parts now going forward in life about this film will be forever because of how it was the reception in the film in the theater was when Kajol is introduced, right? He is walking down the steps of Farida Jalal's house.
हाँ हाँ
Okay,
हाँ.
and he sees her dancing to Kudiye, Kudiye,
कुड़िए
Kudiye, Kudiye.
and then like
Okay.
shut up.
Yeah, ding 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 ding, and then he like trips a step.
Yeah.
Man, that is so well shot. I'd forgotten how well shot that was, dude. Okay, then he falls in love. Whatever, or he sees her and like Sajna. Okay, and then the next scene is the Ashfaq Mia wala misunderstanding.
yeah.
Hilarious, dude. So fucking funny.
Yeah.
I forget that some of these moments are so imbued. We don't even we take them for granted almost. Somebody had to write them and direct
Yeah.
them and make them. And
I know.
Bro,
Surprisingly,
Kejo
it was
bro.
Karan
Great.
Johar.
yeah, that's true.
मुझे तो बड़ा मजा आता है भाई करण
Yeah,
जौहर की
bro,
पिक्चरें देखते
हाँ.
हैं बहुत मजा
Yeah,
आता है मुझे
agreed.
उसकी पिक्चरें देखते
So
हैं
that whole thing.
Before
तुसी
we-
तो बड़े मजाकियो, बड़े मजाकियो.
I think the only
बड़े मजाकियो.
I think the only Kejo film that I haven't watched as much is
Khan.
huh?
My name is Khan.
Rocky Run.
No, this one the Aishwarya Ranbir and
Oh, Adil.
Aadil hai Mushkil,
Yeah,
yes.
that's a weird one.
Yeah, fair enough, man.
और उसमें भाई उसमें पता लगता है पावर ऑफ शाहरुख खान एक्चुअल में भाई 5 मिनट में पूरी पिक्चर खा जाता है वो आदमी भाई 5 मिनट आता है और पूरी पिक्चर खा जाता है
Yeah.
बट या दैट्स द वन फिल्म
Before we go to recasting, I have one small rant about these re-releases. Okay, so when I
Yes.
went
Yes,
to
please do.
Tumbad, go to watch Tumbad. I didn't go to Tumbad.
खजाना मिला कि ना
At every iconic scene, okay, there was like this bunch of guys in the back. वो लोग फोटो ले रहे थे, ठीक है,
हाँ.
अपने फोन
I
से.
do that.
Now the thing is that if it's a new movie, the
Yeah.
theater staff only comes and stops them because it's piracy. Okay, so they stop from taking.
But
आप
it's,
कौन
but it's
से
not
थिएटर में
piracy.
जाते हो
हाँ
जो
भाई,
बीच
no,
में
no,
लोग
मैंने
रोकते हैं
देखा.
आके
No.
नई पिक्चर
but-
अगर तू
but
देखने
then-
जाएगा.
But we are not doing it for piracy, right?
That's the thing. So
हाँ.
these guys keep on taking pictures, but staff is not saying anything. So one guy who was watching the movie, he turned back and he said कि भाई क्या करो, हर चीज़ में पिक्चर देख रहे हो, दूसरे लोग का मजा खराब होता है ये वो, आपको पता नहीं पायरेसी है ये. तो वो बोल रहा है पिक्चर Amazon Prime पे. Okay. You can't even say anything. क्या भाई सही से बोल रहा है ये.
Yeah,
भाई
that's
उसने
true.
तो फिर जवाब दे दिया
that's true.
दिल्ली में तो कहता चल अपना काम कर
Yeah.
अबे
There is-
दोपहर देख रहा है पिक्चर देख रहा है.
there is definitely, at least, I don't know if you guys would agree, there's at least like 10% or 20% of pretentiousness
ऑफ कोर्स
in this. In going for these classic films to be able to say हाँ
To
मैंने
say,
देखी.
हाँ,
it's
exactly.
Yeah.
it's
And to
Insta
record.
That is definitely a
culture
part
no
of
bro
it.
it's
Yeah.
Insta
Definitely a
culture
part
at
of
this
it.
point
Yeah.
Insta
So
culture के
exactly.
चक्कर में
So
तो
you
अपने
can't
वो
blame people for
कोल्ड प्ले
that.
की टिकट्स नहीं मिली
हाँ ग्लो स्टिक दिखाओगे
ग्लो
अपने
स्टिक
आगे.
दिखाएंगे लाइट
Definitely
चल रही
part of
लाइट बैंड में
Anyway guys, so should we
But
get to the
yes.
recasting of
Yeah,
KCG?
dude.
Let's go again. As always, I'm gonna win. As I won
Why-
every
why-
single one of
why-
these
There are
episodes.
winners and losers in this.
yeah clearly do you not read comments everybody like Snail is the
See,
best
you know, actually, today the audience usually always decides anyway, and they
Yeah.
will. But today we actually have an actual
casting director sitting
in
there
the house who's not
the
paying attention
owner
to a
of the
single word we're
studio
saying. And that's fine.
See, before we started rolling, we gave him like a small sample of our recasting, and he said my recasting was the best. So
That
not-
was a
not for
joke,
this-
Abbas.
not for this movie.
Since
but
then,
for
I
some-
have learnt
and
the way-
implemented
yeah, and implemented what his tastes are like.
Let's find out.
Okay,
Anyway, so
I have it.
how
I
how
just
are we
found
doing
out.
this?
जैसे हर बारी
Character by character.
Okay, you want to start small character or main characters first?
Let's start with main characters.
I think we should we start small and then go main.
I think mother, father.
because that'll be the spice, right?
I thought let's start with
Amit ji.
Amitabh and Jaya
yeah
Bachchan.
bro
Okay.
Let's start with Amitabh's character first.
Okay, let's go then.
Okay,
so,
Antariksh.
Okay,
who do
am
you
I
have?
going first?
yes
It's
yes
Mr.
Okay.
Raichan, the patriarch of the family.
Yes.
Who do we have for?
कह दिया ना बस
So see,
दिया.
okay, the thing is, no,
Hmm.
this is absolutely the most difficult movie to pass to recast.
100% I think
Okay.
this is the most
This-
difficult film to
Because Amitabh ko firstly, he is so fucking relevant still
pass.
today.
yeah I
Yeah,
think
but
more
they-
relevant
They did make Agnipath again with Hrithik Roshan. So it's
bro
not like
you are right.
एक second
You are
bro
right.
एक second fuck it the other day I was watching Agnipath भाई क्या काम किया लॉन्डे ने पिक्चर
कौन
में
सी
भाई?
पुरानी नहीं वाली?
भाई नई वाली अब इसने ऋतिक ने
हाँ.
भाई the film is amazing bro it's
Yeah.
what an experience and मैंने पुरानी भी देखी है वो भी अलग लेवल की
haven't seen-
क्लासिक है.
Amitabh can be recast clearly.
I mean, he can be, but it's again, he's already playing an older gentleman in this film.
Yeah.
Okay,
You know?
sure. So do you have one or not?
I do still,
Okay,
but
tell
it
me.
was absolutely difficult. So the way I thought about it, right, is who has done this in the sense taken on an Amitabh character and made it his own.
Okay.
Hrithik and Shah Rukh Khan himself. So Rahul की जगह Shah Rukh Khan.
पता है जो एक सेकंड टाइम्स आउट जो हमने जो हमने अभी स्टार्टिंग में बोला था ना कि हमारे पीछे कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर बैठा है, उसने सर पकड़ लिया पीछे.
He just did this to me.
No,
He did.
उसने सर पकड़ा पीछे.
He
He's like,
did this right now.
he's like,
I just want to say that when in Mohabbatein, when Amitabh Bachchan played the principal of the school,
Yeah.
Shah Rukh Khan is that age now,
Yeah.
and he's doing Jawan. Okay, so it's like
He did play old Jawan.
Yeah, but how are
he
you?
played old Jawan.
You get what I mean? You get
And
what
he
I
was
mean?
kicking ass even doing that.
Yeah. So
your Mr. Raichandra
Amitabh
is Shah Rukh Khan.
Mr. Raichandra is kick-ass as hell, dude. He's the best father ever possible.
So Antariksh is out
Okay.
of the competition.
So I have...
So he's clearly not winning
So
this one.
Yeah.
guys, you guys don't know me well enough. I always have two.
A question. Is your Jaya Bachchan Kajol?
No. Damn, I just realized that's a missed
sequel बना
opportunity. That's a missed opportunity. You're right. Shit. Damn it.
Anyway, Snail, who do you have?
I do.
Oh, he has two options.
Oh, okay.
So, because I knew that was the response I would get for Shah Rukh Khan. I also have, but this one I'm even less convinced by.
Okay.
But I have Pankaj Tripathi because he plays these kind
Bro,
of roles.
no,
Yeah, I know, it's
bro.
very boring answer.
So I also thought Pankaj Tripathi,
Rahul,
but I was like, नहीं bro, नहीं
बताया
हो
ना
पाएगा.
तुमको.
हाँ,
बताए है ना
हम बताए ना तुम्हें.
उनसे ना ऐसा ही वाइब आता है, ठीक है. अगर ये मैं नेटफ्लिक्स के लिए बना रहा था तो शायद मैं
I did think.
कि अगर ये
So
रूरल
this-
सेटिंग में होती तो
No, like, yeah, in the sense, like, I thought ke, this is so, there cannot be more a mainstream movie.
Yeah.
All the biggest actors.
Can I say something
Yes, please.
controversial?
Yes.
पंकज त्रिपाठी से वो अमीरी वाली फीलिंग नहीं आती.
पता है
Dude,
इसीलिए मैंने
exactly-
पंकज त्रिपाठी को नहीं
Exactly
डाला.
what I'm saying. I was about to say. Ke
No,
this
no
movie,
offense, Pankaj sir.
This
but-
movie could not have been more mainstream in the sense, like all
So
the
you
biggest.
could have gone completely
सुन
rural.
तो मेरा
no?
point तो सुनने दे यार. Man, so
कह दिया ना.
कह दिया.
so I did think ke, what if we were to completely make it into an indie film?
हाँ.
You know, it's like Nawaz kind of
शाहरुख खान का कैरेक्टर नवाजुद्दीन प्ले कर रहा है.
Raz is there.
तो एक काम करना फिर मनोज बाजपेयी को बाप बना दे गैंग्स ऑफ वासेपुर कर दे.
Gang
Super
Bro.
bro.
Down, bro.
Yeah, bro.
Good times, good times.
So your choices are
Shah
Shahrukh
Rukh.
और पंकज त्रिपाठी.
बट
Yes.
अगर आपको पंकज त्रिपाठी को थोड़ा अमीर सेटअप में देखना है, वॉच गुड़गांव.
I've seen Gurgaon actually.
उसमें पंकज त्रिपाठी इज प्लेइंग द अमीर
Yes, you're
पेट्रियार्क
right.
पेट्रियार्क कह रहा हूँ. Anyway,
Snail, who do you have?
so my Amitabh Bachchan recast is Anil Kapoor.
Oh, interesting.
Yaar.
Bro,
the thing is-
Jug Jio.
See, I thought of
No,
that. I
no,
thought of that. I'll tell you
Animal
why.
dude.
No,
Oh,
I thought of
okay.
that, but I'll tell you why he has done that role.
Exactly.
Let's get someone else to do something like that. Don't know.
यार फिर तो मेरे को कास्ट कर लो यार. ये तो क्या बात हो गई.
पर तेरे को जानता कौन है भाई?
तुम जैसे लोग के चक्कर में हम लोग को काम नहीं मिल रहा है इंडस्ट्री में. बट ब्रो अनिल कपूर इज आई थिंक इट्स अ परफेक्ट फिट. सो मैं आपको बताता हूँ, मेरे माइंड में दो लोग आ रहे थे. द फर्स्ट वन बीइंग बमन ईरानी एंड द सेकंड वन बीइंग अनिल कपूर. अनिल कपूर गिव्स मी दैट वाइब ऑफ कि कह दिया ना, बस कह दिया. एंड जो जया बच्चन वाला कास्टिंग है, जो नंदिनी वाली कास्टिंग है, वो कास्टिंग मैंने लिटरली सिर्फ उस एक डायलॉग पे रखी है कि जब वो एंड में बोलेगी ना कि बस कह दिया ना, वो वाला इम्पैक्ट वो एक एक्ट्रेस लाके देगी.
To that point, I must slightly agree with you because why? Shah Rukh in his films, doesn't do misogyny for the most part.
Yes.
Like his characters are they treat their women in a very you know what I mean? Non-authoritative kind of way.
That is the reason he was the heart.
Correct, absolutely,
Nation, right?
absolutely. So
That women would.
now it makes me realize that maybe Shah Rukh wasn't
The right choice.
the best choice. It's still a great choice and better
कह
than
दिया
this
ना.
guy.
कह दिया.
कह दिया.
My casting is kind of like an indie version of
Arre.
KGG.
But that is always the case with your boss.
Because I go for authenticity, guys. Okay, my Mr. Raichand recast.
बोल
is,
विक्रांत मासे बोल
no,
बच्चा.
it's Nasiruddin Shah.
Oh no.
Again, you know,
but
again,
okay.
literally, I'm not even kidding. I had thought of both Anil and Nasir, and I felt like कर
Because
चुके हैं.
my thing, Nasir ने कहा
नसीर
ऐसा
भाई ने
रोल
कब
किया यार.
I don't know, बुढ़ा
But-
तो है ही ना.
Wow, wow, अंतरिक्ष. Okay.
Am I wrong?
अबे यार क्या घटिया आदमी है
No, but,
अंतरिक्ष यार.
नहीं, I love Naziruddin Shah. There's nothing wrong with Naziruddin Shah.
Like throughout their careers, right? It was like the mainstream Bollywood star is Amitabh Bachchan,
Yeah.
and the more authentic indie method actor is Nasir, right?
Yeah,
Like
sure.
they were. So I'm like, okay, we saw the biggest superstar of Hindi cinema do Raichand.
Yeah.
Now I would like to see the Nasir take.
A
on
better
it.
actor. In Nasir words.
I didn't
In
say
Nasir's
that.
words.
I didn't say
Not
that.
in Amit, not in anyone. Not
But
my
if
words.
you
Nasir's words.
see like Nasir has done like in Mohra, he's the villain, but
That's
he's
true.
like
Yeah.
this guy with a big personality,
Yeah.
you know, the rich, the guy with the
Oh,
the
speaking
power.
of Mr. Bachchan, I recently met him.
KBC, right?
Yes, I went to KBC.
Did we talk about it?
No, we didn't.
No, he
That's
told
why we're
us
talking
after
about
we
it.
stopped rolling. That's why we're not acting surprised. Because you want to take that again?
What are you saying?
तो रोज मिलता है. What surprising is that?
But yeah, so Naziruddin Shah.
Yeah, that's my
no,
choice.
but okay. ठीक
I
है.
think Shah Rukh
Still better than Shah Rukh,
See,
bro. That's
See,
that much
see,
I will
knowing
give you.
Abbas is his movie is never gonna sell. Mine already has a legit
Actually-
fucking superstar, dude.
We'll find out. Okay, cool. So yeah.
Mine is a
Pankaj
legit
Tripathi,
superstar,
Anil
bro.
Kapoor,
No, no, Shah
Naseeruddin
Rukh Khan, bro.
He changed his mind.
No, no, Shah Rukh. Bro, मैं शाहरुख के
वो दंगल में कहते हैं, वो दंगल में कहते हैं शाहरुख का ना नहीं बोलते. तो बस.
You get it? Exactly.
Cool. Shall we move on to Nandini Raichand, who's
You want to start this time?
Okay, who was played by
Jaya Bachchan,
in the
DOG.
original. So because I have Nasir as Mr. Raichand,
Nice, I get
I
it.
haven't casted Ratna Pathak Shah. Okay, that would
Oh.
be very obvious.
Shiba Chadda.
I've casted Supriya Pathak, who played Hansa in Khichdi, but
So if I have any of these cast
yeah,
as some other character in mind, can I mention that?
you can. Yeah.
Like right now only?
Sure.
Because I'm not even kidding.
You
My
have
Nani
Supriya
Dadi
Pathak?
are Ratna Pathak Shah and Supriya Pathak. No, because you don't get both
Why would you
sisters.
cast such good actors for that role? They don't have
Dude,
much to do
I
in the
mean-
movie.
Those two, are you saying that Nani is a bad actress?
No, but they
Bro,
don't
it's
have
not
much
about
to do in
actors,
the
it was
movie.
just screen space.
Dude, तो
Also, they
people
had
make-
one job, they couldn't do that right.
Dude, also cameo है ना पर.
And
Cameo
one of
कोई भी
them
कर ले,
has
उसमें
just
क्या है?
नहीं यार.
Sure. I mean,
Yeah.
if they were in that role, I would like to see more of them.
Yeah.
So unless you're
But
like
yeah, that's
rewriting
the mark
it.
of a good actor, that you want to see more of them, but they don't show you now.
But sure, so okay, we have something common. My Nandini would be Supriya Pathak because I just think Supriya Pathak is great at playing the underdog throughout a movie, and then she has her moment at the end. तो कह दिया ना बस कह दिया. I would
आपने
have
भी
liked that.
मैंने भी इसी डायलॉग
No, that's not the only thing I cast her for, but I think Nasir and Supriya Pathak
Would they
would
make
be
a great pair though?
I think so, yes.
So when I
By
was
the way, in Masoom, Supriya Pathak and Nasir
Yeah.
were not paired together, but she did
But,
play
yeah.
a woman he was in love with. So in this, they will be the Ambani version of it.
so
क्या हार्ड है यार इन लोगों को कन्विंस करना दोनों देख रहे हैं मेरे को
आप पता है आपको कन्विंस करना कितना हार्ड है.
बट हाँ व्हाट इज द
What
पॉइंट
is yours?
So my casting for Nandini is Shefali Shah, guys.
Nice.
नाइस ओके
So Shefali Shah has actually played a
Actually,
similar
yeah,
character in Mohabbatein.
मोहब्बतें
Yes. So Mohabbatein में
Okay, she's the,
oh, right,
the bhabhi.
yes, she's the bhabhi.
जिमी शेरगिल
Jimmy Shergill is,
जिमी शेरगिल की लव इंटरेस्ट
sub
की
wife.
भाभी.
Chicks bhabhi, yeah.
ठीक है. So उसकी उस टाइम पे शेफाली शाह को कोई उतना अच्छे से जानता नहीं था.
जानते थे शी वाज मोर ऑफ अ टीवी
हाँ,
एक्ट्रेस
बट वो आर्क भी ऑलमोस्ट सिमिलर है कि वो पूरा टाइम जो है वो बाबूजी की बात मानती रहती है एंड टुवर्ड्स द एंड शी बेसिकली सेज कि भाई वो आपका बेटा मर गया है, ठीक है, आपको कन्विंस करने के लिए मैं सिंदूर पहनती आ रही हूँ, बट मैं इसकी इसको सिंदूर या कुछ ऐसे वो करके बोलती है, बट मैं इसको इसकी ज़िंदगी ख़राब करने नहीं दूंगी. तो शी ऑल्सो हैज़ दैट ब्रेकआउट मोमेंट इन मोहब्बतें. तो आई थिंक उस टाइम पे जो रिकग्निशन और जस्टिस उस कैरेक्टर को नहीं मिला, वो यहाँ पे अनिल कपूर के साथ उसको अगर मैं पेयर करूंगा तो मिल जाएगा.
Oh, वापस
Nice.
दिल धड़क में दो पैर.
यस.
and also I mean she was also the wife in Waqt Amitabh's wife.
Amitabh's wife.
So she's been with both the Rai
Yeah, you're
Chands.
absolutely right, dude.
She's been with the OG Rai Chand as well as the
Yeah.
recast.
So, guys, my...
So abhi tak I'm winning, right?
It's not bad actually. Anil Kapoor and
Thanks,
Shefali Shah
thanks,
is
thanks,
good.
guys, thanks.
I mean, that's done. Bro.
It's Zoya Akhtar mate ka bhi खुशी
Literally
करेगा
been
I'm not
done.
sure.
I guess no original thoughts, you guys.
Yeah.
Like, look at this original thought.
Yes.
Maya Jaya Bachchan
Yes.
should be
Uh,
played by a woman who would much rather have played that role in real life.
which is?
Jaya Bachchan.
Rekha.
Wait. So Shah Rukh
joke
Khan.
answer. It's a joke answer. It's a joke answer. It's a joke answer.
He was just about.
भाई इसकी वजह से हमारे पॉडकास्ट पे कभी कोई
I
स्टार नहीं
swear. पता है. So I'll tell you एक बहुत सही कहानी बताता हूँ आपको. मेरा दोस्त है कशिश, ठीक है, बेस्ट फ्रेंड है मेरा. उस हम लोग पॉडकास्ट डिस्कस करते
But are you his best friend?
He's like हाँ. तो he's like कि नंबर्स कैसे जा रहे हैं, तो वो बड़ा कीनली पूछता है. तो मैंने उसको बताया कि ये है, अभी इस स्पीड पे चल रहा है. गाइस सब्सक्राइबर काउंट धीरे धीरे बढ़ रहा है, प्लीज अच्छे से बढ़ाओ, ठीक है.
Hit that subscribe like.
यस
हाँ.
प्लीज. तो उसने बोला, कहता यार कुछ कंट्रोवर्शियल बोल दो यार, बढ़ जाएंगे नंबर. मैंने कहा नहीं यार, आगे जाके इंडस्ट्री में काम करना है, सेलिब्रिटीज वगैरह को बुलाना है पॉडकास्ट पे, कंट्रोवर्शियल नहीं बोल सकते, काम नहीं मिलेगा. एंड आई कोट, ही इज लाइक, जब वो बोलता रहता है तो एनी विच वे तुम्हारे उसमें सेलिब्रिटीज, तो तू भी बोल दे कुछ, कम से कम फेमस तो हो जाएगा.
I agree. I would absolutely agree. Yeah, we can't be afraid of other people's wrath and all, dude.
रात वाली बात नहीं है रे, काम कर रहे हैं.
But who's your OG? I mean, who's your recast?
I actually thought of a pair. So Shah Rukh has never been paired with Dimple Kapadia. Dimple Kapadia, an older woman, yes, but she has firstly looks gorgeous still, like even at whatever age she's at.
Sure, but
And she's done these kind of roles. She would be awesome. Like she was amazing as Salman's mother in Dabangg. Okay.
yeah.
So it won't be like.
And Salman and Shah Rukh are the same age. Essentially, you're casting some.
Bro, she's romance younger men. That's all
Bro,
good.
no, that's fine. But the thing is कि यहाँ पे वो pairing बैठ ही नहीं रहा है ना
तो
भाई.
वही तो ना, शाहरुख वही तो प्रूव करेगा ना. He's a great actor.
मतलब सो पता है, जो
No,
डिम्पल
wait, I want to hear this. I want to hear him sell us the idea.
I mean, have you guys seen Dil Chahta Hai?
अभी इन्होंने अक्षय खन्ना और शाहरुख को इक्वेट किया.
Yeah.
See, when Nandini and Raichand in the movie, I mean, forget the height difference. उनको visually देखकर ही
See,
लगता है
think
कि
of
हाँ,
it. Think
नंदिनी
of it.
दबी हुई है. and
Have you
Raichand
guys
is the dominant.
have you guys not seen Pathan? What great chemistry Shah Rukh Khan had with Dimple Kapadia.
So that's what पता है. So actually में जो मेरा point था वो ये था कि power dynamics में ना डिम्पल
will be
So
being
that's what
dominant
I
by
also
her.
wanted to propose a role reversal.
जहाँ पे आपकी कास्टिंग उल्टी होती है ना, वहाँ पे रोल रिवर्स कर देते हो. जहाँ कास्टिंग उल्टी होती है,
तेरे वर्जन में शाहरुख खान
Shah Rukh,
बोलेगा.
yeah, yeah.
कह दिया
Hey,
ना.
कह दिया ना, एक बस कह दिया.
I want my daughter here with me. Shah Rukh बोलेगा.
Fuck यार.
डिम्पल फोन करके करी गेस करो हम कहाँ हैं. वाह डूड. शाहरुख थाली लेके खड़ा हुआ है. राहुल आ रहा है.
मेरी सांसों में तू है.
But one thing won't change.
Yeah. This time the father is doing it.
Yeah.
Wow, bro. Fuck our choices. I just want to hear the rest of our Triksh's
अब
Thank you.
हम लोग का recasting छोड़ दो.
Now you get it. Now you get it. Why I always win these. You guys
Wow,
might win
dude.
the casting. I'll win the hearts. That's what I do.
He's the RCB of our podcast.
I never really.
रेखा बोले बोला अच्छा नेक्स्ट चॉइस कुछ सेंसिबल होगा. नहीं डिम्पल
Bro,
कपाड़िया.
I just sold you guys on it, man. What are you talking about?
Sure.
I'm sure there is an R-rated version of Pathan out there somewhere.
No, that's not sure.
Where Pathan is banging.
I mean, that you took it there, bro. I'm just saying where they're going out for a nice dinner. She's making his tie and all.
Gives Jhume
You
Jo
know-
Pathan a whole new meaning.
Dude, I just realized Amitabh Bachchan's main gripe with Jaya Bachchan in this film
Yeah.
is कि 10 साल बीत गए, मुझे वो पुरानी नंदिनी वापस दे दो. Okay, that's a dirty dialogue in the
Yeah,
film, right?
yeah.
And I think all he wants is यार मेरी टाई कौन बांधेगा बहन मेरी टाई बांधो करो. I don't tie बांधने नहीं आती यार.
Yeah.
10 साल से मेरी टाई नहीं बांधी, मैं
Yeah.
ऑफिस आ रहा हूँ. That's his only problem, I think. That's why you got the son back home.
Like, at
It
least
got
मेरी
Taiwan
tie
में
बन
है,
जाएगी.
man.
Dimple comes to Shahrukh and be like, "बस कीजिए बहुत."
Yeah. And yeah.
Okay.
Oh,
let's-
bro.
उल्टा शाहरुख goes to Dimple.
Yeah.
बस कीजिए. Hey, बस करो.
बहुत हो गया.
ब्रो हमने एक बहुत बड़ी गलती कर दी.
क्या?
हमने रानी मुखर्जी कैरेक्टर को completely ignore कर दिया.
Oh, that's true. Yeah, she's also in this movie.
Rani Mukherjee played by Rani Mukherjee in our film.
No, we're recasting the main.
Okay, ठीक है.
So Rohan played by Hrithik Roshan in the original.
Yes.
Snehal, who do you have? Rohan?
My choice for Rohan. So I have gone a little age appropriate in this one.
Okay.
ठीक है. So my choice for Hrithik's character is
Virat Kohli. Cricketer.
Ishan Khattar.
Bro! Ishan Khattar! What the fuck? What the fuck?
Dude, this was not planned at all.
What the? All three of us, dude. Fuck, ईशान क्या बच्चा लगता है ब्रो. बेचारा इसलिए बॉलीवुड में काम नहीं कर रहा उसको फैंस.
Bro, Ishan Khattar, yes, me also.
एक सेकंड फिर आप लोग का शाहरुख खान शाहिद कपूर.
Yes!
Wow.
My Rahul is Shahrukh, Shahid Kapoor.
That-
Is yours also?
Yeah. तभी तो मैंने
Amazing,
बोला
guys,
कि हम
high
दोनों
five.
का
He's doesn't.
Mine is not Shah Rukh.
Shahid Kapoor.
क्या है आपका वाला.
Okay, so let's.
वरुण धवन तो नहीं लिख दिया आपने.
नहीं मेरा actually I thought because of the charm level right now that this person is enjoying in the industry right now.
Okay, hold on to that.
Yeah.
Don't. tell us who
Please
you're
don't
thinking.
guess. Let me just say it.
My thing is also because Supriya Patak is married to Pankaj Kapoor, whose son is actually Shahid Kapoor. So in my fictional thing,
Wow.
it's actually.
So
like
मेरा
a
मैंने यही सोचा था कि बड़ा भाई छोटा भाई.
Yeah, exactly.
बड़ा भाई छोटा भाई शाहिद
really
कपूर
perfect.
and also so like give me your opinions on this. Do you think Shahid Kapoor is the closest to Shah Rukh Khan in the next generation?
I mean, I thought.
What do you mean
for
acting
Me,
wise?
Like the
I
persona.
get what you're
think.
saying. This Rahul character in K3G, somehow Shahid kind of fits in that. Like I was thinking, Rahul is the hardest person to cast in this.
So
movie.
for me, Kajol was the hardest person to cast.
Okay.
And
Yeah.
Farida Jalal because I
Okay.
didn't find anybody else doing those kind of
Okay,
roles
okay,
in
we'll
these.
come to
Dude,
that.
but this Ishan Shahid is a great combo.
So who's
Absolutely.
your Rahul? Please
Mine was
tell
Vicky
me.
Kaushal. Because of the charm he has in the industry right now.
Shah Rukh's son, Vicky Kaushal. Yes, totally. Who work
Oh, no,
together.
एक second.
Yeah.
In all fairness to अंतरिक्ष, वो उसका बेटा नहीं है, वो adopted है.
That's true. Yeah, you get it.
Sure, yes.
So मेरा ये fit बैठ रहा था actually कि शायद so like let's come back to the thing that I was saying कि do you think Shahid Kapoor is the closest to Shah Rukh Khan in aura and persona in this
So I
generation?
used to think that for a while.
For
Now I
agree,
don't.
Yeah.
Yeah, now I don't.
From his like Ishq Vishk days till
Yeah.
Jab we met, I would say.
even a little further than Jab We Met, but then he didn't.
Like Kismat connection, maybe around
So
that.
I think
era,
so
yeah.
Shahid Kapoor is one person जो मुझे लगता है कि again I कि उसने
He
कोई
never
भी
transcended to stardom.
Yeah.
so मुझे एकदम उल्टा लगता है इसका कि despite giving an despite not giving an all time blockbuster except of Kabir Singh I guess
Udta Punjab.
it was not an all time blockbuster it
It's,
was a
I would
profitable
say.
film no
Like
doubt
250 crores or something. Some
Oh.
crazy amount. Okay, I'll
Because
just double
of the
check.
controversy also, na.
That's also true.
Yeah.
yes,
So,
that's also true. But an animal
मतलब
also.
a career spanning through like almost like 2 decades at this point एक दो all time blockbusters average hits उसका career hot cold रहा है
Okay.
despite that I think he's achieved the level of stardom जो शायद ज़्यादा और actors नहीं ले पाए because he has that charm and that persona and that personality जो मुझे लगता है is closest to the charm that Shah Rukh has.
I understand what you're saying. So if you guys remember, early when Shahid had just started, he was compared
To
Yeah,
Shah Rukh
in
a lot.
acting style
Yeah,
also
yeah.
to
So
Shah Rukh.
every newcomer
They've also talked about it. The two of
Yeah,
them
yeah.
on stage, I think at a film fair or something. Shah Rukh has like, पर तो acting तो मेरी तरह करता है.
Yeah,
Something
yeah.
like that he said. And I think this was like.
so
a legit
every
thing for a while.
newcomer is compared to the next Shah Rukh Khan.
That's true,
The
yeah.
कोई hit दे देता है तो. But I think Shahid was the closest according to me at least.
Fair enough.
Because जिस तरीके से उसने क्यूट बॉय रोमांस फिल्म्स करी फिर उसके बाद उसने मुझे शाहिद कपूर पर्सनली बहुत अच्छा एक्टर बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्मर मतलब मुझे कंप्लीट पैकेज लगता है जो बॉलीवुड का एक हीरो होता है ना जो एक्शन भी कमाल करता है डांस भी कमाल करता है एक्टिंग भी अच्छी करता है मुझे शाहिद कपूर एक परफेक्ट पैकेज लगता है
Fair. Fair. That's fair.
Yeah, I also really like him, but then don't think he ever even got close to what Shah Rukh was.
वो भाई वो I
Like,
agree.
I
agree.
There's no Kal Ho Na Ho equivalent in Shahid's filmography. There's no like Devdas equivalent in.
I agree. So I agree कि उसकी films have not been. So अब जैसे जर्सी जो फिल्म है, I know मैंने ओरिजिनल भी देखी है, बहुत अच्छी है. जो रीमेक बनाई इन्होंने, वो भी शाहिद ने कमाल का काम किया भाई. नहीं चली because I feel कि remakes का टाइम गया. नहीं बनने वाली है, नहीं बननी चाहिए एटलीस्ट
I think maybe like there might be something about thriller remakes that might still work.
बट देन अगेन जैसे महाराजा जैसी फिल्म का हमने उससे पहले बात करी हुई है कि महाराजा अब जब आमिर खान रीमेक करेगा तो आई डोंट थिंक इट
बोल यार बस टेक ओवर.
ब्रो देयर इज दिस वन गाय
I know.
oh
So,
dude
you know what?
What a great troll
I
comment. bro.
swear
love it.
dude the creativity that he bro तू हमारी टीम में at this
Yeah,
point
very cool.
Do we like our channel is monetized? So do we have like super chat or some equivalent
But
of
we-
that?
we
I was
have.
like,
We wanna start.
if this guy gives 10,000 rupees as a super chat, then I'm willing to relook Maharaja at Maharaja.
But amazing commenter. Basically,
Yes.
since we're talking about it.
Yeah.
Basically, every episode since the Maharaja episode,
Yeah.
this person, we will show that in the comment section,
Yeah.
below somewhere below the screen here. You see, basically every episode, the guy comments saying ke, oh, I used to be a Hindu, now converted to Christian.
No, so that's so the intro is different every time.
every
yeah,
time
yeah,
हाँ
I know,
but
I
Then
know.
it ends with.
yeah
I hope you get enough sense to know why Anurag
Basically,
Kashyap.
trying to make Abbas understand
So
why
for
is the opinion of
those,
Maharaja
yeah,
wrong.
for those who have not seen the Maharaja episode, पहले तो जाके देखो.
That was
दूसरा,
our, like the first episode.
No,
we
no,
did,
oh no, first episode was catching up.
अच्छा, okay.
फिर उसके बाद anyway, so उसमें अब्बास ने एक लाइन बोली है कि अनुराग कश्यप को तभी क्यों प्रॉब्लम हुई जब उसको पता चला कि वो उसकी बेटी है. ठीक है, तो उस स्टेटमेंट को पकड़ के उस भाई ने जितनी क्रिएटिविटी दिखाई है उतने स्क्रीन पे नहीं लिखे गए बॉलीवुड में जितने
have
उससे
a-
very funny.
अलग-अलग तरीके
I
running
laugh out
gag.
loud every time almost.
या dude.
Yeah, so keep it up, man. Thanks for commenting. Thanks for
प्रीमियर
enjoying our
भाई
show.
प्रीमियर का नोटिफिकेशन आता है पहला कमेंट भाई का आ जाता है सबसे पहले स्टिल वेटिंग फॉर अब्बास टू अंडरस्टैंड
Excellent.
बट आई थिंक हिज नेम इज हिमांशु और समथिंग
Yeah. So coming to my Vicky Kaushal thing.
यस
So right now in the
योर
industry,
विकी कौशल वाज राहुल
Rahul.
यस
right now in the industry, the amount of goodwill I feel that Vicky Kaushal
Yeah.
has as an actor, as a performer, as a dancer is like it's rare for most actors to go
Yeah.
through a
Between
happening like
Rahul
this.
and Rohan was the better dancer, no?
I mean, yeah, but Ishan Khattar is still a better dancer than Vicky Kaushal.
That's true, yes.
Yeah. Which is but Vicky is also good, yeah. ठीक है.
Isn't he a little too like isn't Vicky Kaushal older now than Shah Rukh was when he played Rahul?
But then he has to become older also, no, in the older part.
Okay, sure.
And he can clean shave, यार. ठीक है यार, यार कर लेगा सब यार.
ठीक है,
Okay.
cool. Okay.
That's I don't have that much of a justification. I just thought it was
Cool.
a good fit.
सो अब
Good actor.
Should we go to the women now?
Also,
Like,
Vicky,
I mean, the leading
Vicky
women.
can do funny flirting, funny romance quite
I've
easily. I
seen
feel.
bad news. I don't agree.
But I think Vicky was.
Oh, Shahid can do that very well actually.
Yeah.
Shahid to bro, I'm a huge admirer of Shahid Kapoor.
You know what? I would love to see the bench scene with Shahid and Ishan Khattar.
Bro, it would be amazing, bro.
That is cool,
Amazing होगा वो, amazing होगा.
I can't fault that. That would be a
Yeah,
good scene.
yeah.
Like very meta in its.
घर आ जाओ भैया,
Yeah.
घर आ जाओ मेरे 3 BHK में. You read that statement? जो भी recently दी है, yeah.
क्या क्या?
Wait, so in your version, Arjun Kapoor grows up to become Ishan Khattar.
Isn't that hilarious?
Okay.
Great comedy. Yeah.
Sure.
But a de-aged Arjun Kapoor. Let me
Yeah,
point
got
out
it.
Yeah,
again.
fair.
Yeah.
So should we go to Anjali next, which was played by Kajol?
So I think this was the hardest character
Okay.
to cast for me,
Okay, so
and I'll tell you why.
Who should I go?
Yeah,
Actually,
please.
you two ही बता दे. I'm not very happy with my recast.
So
but,
I am decently happy with the casting that I have.
I could like so. Okay, coming to Kajol's characteristics in this film, right? Firstly, I don't think Bollywood has ever had this natural
Yeah.
an actor. I would say, you know, the abandon that Kajol has on screen. Like she literally does not care that there's a camera here.
Yeah.
I don't think I get that feeling from most actors in the world that I get from Kajol.
The thing is कि
Some next level
जो आप काजोल वाली बात कर रहे हो ना, ये चीज मुझे लगता है कि उसी जनरेशन की एक्ट्रेसेस और एक्टर्स में है.
Ravina had a little bit of that, I think,
Ravina, Juhi,
Yeah.
bro,
Juhi and
Juhi is
Sridevi,
great.
funny as fuck.
Yeah,
Yeah,
funny
dude.
as fuck.
I think Juhi is one of the funniest actors
Yeah.
in the history of this industry.
I would agree. Yeah,
जिस
correct.
जो फ्लॉलेसली वो कॉमेडी कैरी करती है, फ्लॉलेसली वो इमोशन कैरी करती है, भाई ग्रेट. फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी में आई थिंक जूही चावला आउट परफॉर्म्स शाहरुख in so many points.
Yeah.
Sure, fair enough. I get that. So
Dude, there's one play
Haan.
in Phir Bhi Dil Hai Hindustani where when in the female version of I Am the Best, she's playing Sachin Tendulkar.
Yeah,
That's
dude.
so funny. Dude.
Bro, I love that scene जहाँ पे वो दोनों वो बारिश में चल रहे होते हैं, वो केले वाला कॉन्वर्सेशन होता है. Dude, great.
I
Anyway,
also think that Kajol's comedic talent was, I think, unlocked by Karan Johar. I think
Because of Kuch
Karan
Hota
is
Hai.
directing her in both Kuch Kuch Hota Hai and
Sure,
Kabhi.
sure, yeah.
With 3G. I think that's
Yeah,
why
correct.
she's...
Because Karan Arjun, she had a very serious role.
Yeah,
Like, not
she
really
mostly played... I
comedic.
saw Ishq recently.
Yeah,
and
DDLJ
in that
also
she's
wasn't really comedic in
okay.
DDLJ. Yeah.
So yeah, so you have...
So I was
sorry,
sorry. We were going with Snail?
I don't think we
bolo,
revealed
bolo.
her.
Okay, so because of that, right, because of how natural she is, she also comes from Chandni Chowk.
Yeah.
This version of Kajol, right? This character Anjali comes from Chandni Chowk
Yeah.
and then goes to London.
Yeah.
So this actress has to be able to have
Carry
that
off both.
dialect
Yeah.
also, which is
Yeah.
the Chandni Chowk dialect, the go Punjabi thoda,
Yeah.
tussi assi, and sound natural while doing it, and then go abroad and be able to speak in that hello, Mrs.
Yeah.
Whatever that thing, right?
sugar.
Mine, Anushka Sharma. I think would be a very good Kajol
Good choice.
because of this.
Good choice.
Yeah.
Good
Yeah.
choice. Good.
Finally got you guys.
This one actually I would agree with.
Yeah. man.
Actually, yeah.
But एक second, you're pairing
Kaushal
Vicky
with
Kaushal with Anushka.
Anushka
चलो
Sharma.
ठीक है.
Yeah, it's not been done before.
sail
So yeah,
through.
Yeah.
fair enough. Yeah.
What's your
And you guys will be doing. Okay,
No,
sorry,
we-
I forgot
we
yours.
have
and
Anjali
Anushka.
only.
Mine is Anushka.
So I went with Sania Malhotra because
How
just
did
because
I miss on Sania Malhotra and you got her instead.
No, I don't.
but
Sanya
I-
doesn't fit. Yeah.
I
actually I had
absolutely-
two options. I had either Sania Malhotra or Tapsi Pannu, one of the two.
Okay,
So,
I see
yeah.
Tapsi Pannu a little bit
Even
more
I
there.
can see Tapsi Pannu.
Yeah. Okay,
But
so cancel.
see-
Tapsi Pannu is my
It's
choice.
fine, you can have
So
it.
my choice. आपको कुछ
Sorry,
बोलना
I
बीच
just
में. हाँ
wanna
बोलो
say,
बोलो.
yours was Sania Malhotra,
Yeah.
right? I had also thought, because I was really trying to get Sania Malhotra in this cast.
I wonder why.
Yes, I love Sania
I
Malhotra.
wonder
Yeah.
how.
She's a fantastic
I
actress.
wonder
I
why.
cannot see enough
fine,
of
we
Sania
get it,
Malhotra.
Antariksha.
Okay? But I literally did not think that
She fits in.
she
here.
fits in the Kajol
Yeah.
mold.
Yeah, true.
In that mold.
सानिया मल्होत्रा doesn't fit in
I don't think-
any of the characters जो हम लोग कास्ट कर रहे थे, क्योंकि सानिया मल्होत्रा यार वो बहुत ही प्यारी एक्ट्रेस है और वो एज ब्रैकेट हम लोग और वो पर्सोना हम लोग कास्ट ही नहीं कर रहे फिल्म में.
हाँ, well.
Anyway, so my Kajol, so I had two options.
हाँ.
My secondary choice was Kiara Advani because she's played that character in Shersha, the Punjaban character.
अच्छा,
Okay,
मैंने नहीं
मैंने देखी
देखी
नहीं.
शेरशाह.
So उसने उसमें वो कैरेक्टर प्ले किया है एंड
Oh,
आई
okay, yeah,
थिंक
correct.
ऑल्सो शी इज प्लेड दैट कैरेक्टर इन गुड न्यूज तो देखी आप लोगों ने.
नहीं, मैंने नहीं देखी.
गुड न्यूज तो देखी आपने.
Because I know, yeah.
हाँ, so she's played that Punjabi girl and I think she can obviously like carry out
Does she
the.
have good comedic timing?
मुझे तो फनी लगी थी वो उसके अंदर गुड न्यूज में,
Okay.
बट एनीवे उसको कॉम्प्लीमेंट करने के लिए दिलजीत था, सो आई डोंट नो. बट माय प्राइमरी चॉइस वाज श्रद्धा कपूर.
Okay, fair.
सो श्रद्धा
that.
कपूर का ओवरऑल पर्सोना जो उसने बिल्ड किया हुआ है, दैट इज वेरी केयर फ्री, वेरी चिल, वेरी नो फिल्टर्स, ये वो जो मुझे लगता है काजोल का कैरेक्टर भी है K3G में. एंड अगर वो यूके भी जा रही है तो भी वो तो चांदनी चौक ही रह रही है ना.
I'll tell you, like,
हाँ.
do you think but Shraddha Kapoor comes off as effortless
या
on screen?
Yeah.
You think so?
Yeah. Shraddha Kapoor, I think, is very. Or also, she's having a dream run right now at
She
box
is.
office.
That is true. Absolutely. That's
Bro,
true.
quite literally the highest grossing film.
Yeah.
Yeah.
3-2.
It's 3-2, which is
So we are
what a word.
casting Shahid with Shraddha. I mean, you're casting
Yeah.
Shahid with Shraddha. I'm casting Shahid with Sania Malhotra. Okay. I don't think we all agree none of these choices are Kajol level, but
Of course not.
yeah.
the best.
That's what I was saying. So
But
Kajol
Anushka
cast.
Sharma is, I think,
Anushka Sharma
is the-
actually, yeah, I would
takes the
I would
cake.
agree.
I would
Yeah,
say.
but I still think Shraddha Kapoor comes very close.
You know, Virat can play Shah Rukh Khan because Do you think Virat gets into acting after?
No.
There is some chance to
I
it.
think yeah.
He's already, you know, in like
थोड़ा कीड़ा है उसके
yeah.
अंदर,
Also
मुझे
like
लगता है.
ads में he's progressively gotten better at the acting craft of it.
But he has to act opposite Anushka
Anushka.
only.
You think
Yeah.
why?
I think that pairing works. Him with someone else, I won't buy. I feel like somehow Anushka will bring out a good acting performance
Okay,
from
fair,
him.
fair,
Yeah.
fair, fair, fair. Fair. चलो, ठीक है. I
Great.
see that. Okay, cool. Where
So
you got mine was Vicky
Anushka,
Kaushal, Anushka.
Shraddha,
Yeah.
तापसी पन्नू.
तापसी पन्नू. ये जो मस्त स्विच किया ना आपने, बट चलो
अरे
ठीक है.
वो पंकज त्रिपाठी स्वीट के switch कर सकता है, मैं नहीं कर सकता.
Karina, Karina.
Fair.
Oh,
Oh, I have a good
the
one for
iconic
Pooh. I think the most iconic character of the film. Would you agree? Would you agree? Would you agree?
Most
No?
memed, I would say.
Yeah,
I don't
Bro,
think
the most iconic. Who else is more iconic than Pooh?
I think
Iconic तो
Kajol.
यार, हाँ,
Because
bro,
I'll tell you why.
iconic.
I'll tell you why.
Yeah, bro.
In the theater that I watched it in, okay?
ये तो बोला ना गमला अमला वो कितना iconic
Bro,
है.
अरे,
dude,
but
I'll tell you.
character.
Listen, no, listen.
Dialogues की बात नहीं कर रहा मैं.
I understand what you're trying to say. Okay.
हाँ.
The thing
Everybody wants to be Pooh. I want to be Pooh.
is, the thing is that I just saw it.
I
right?
want to poo. Sorry, very bad joke.
Dude, everyone in the theater was reciting every
Line of-
single line of Kajol's. Because actually, she gets the actual joke lines. Pooh's is more character centric.
That's
Yeah.
what I'm saying. That's
So,
the more
I get what you're
iconic
saying.
character.
Okay,
और
maybe.
वो
So in that
ज़्यादा
way, I could be
yeah.
right. In that way.
Everybody wants to be Pooh.
but
bro.
that's
But
That's-
Kajol, see, okay, when you first think of K3G, do you think of the Shah
Pooh.
Rukh Kajol? No. I think of Shah Rukh Kajol.
Bro, no, bro. Pooh
It's more a
is-
Shah Rukh Kajol film than a Kareena film, bro.
So
What are you talking about?
of course it's a more Shah Rukh Kajol film, but the character
Kareena
is so
steals-
iconic.
She steals every scene that she's in.
Yeah.
Sure.
Gym
even
class
even
today.
even the scene where she's wearing short clothes and going out, right?
Yeah.
Where Shah Rukh is like
Gym class today.
पीछे का कहाँ है, you know, all
Yeah.
that. Even in that, she's
Oh, jeez, it's
even though Shah Rukh has such great comedic timing,
Yeah.
Kareena is like matching him beat for beat. So I think yeah, there's
Okay,
merit to
fair enough.
what
Bro,
you said.
imagine
So wait, who did you recast?
उस अभी तो बताया
अच्छा,
नहीं उसको. Imagine Kareena played that character and made that character so iconic that people confused Pooh's characteristics to be Kareena's
Kareena,
characteristics.
yeah.
That is true.
So it's that iconic. So I feel
she's done Pooh also, she's done Geet also.
Geet also.
She's
Geet
done
also.
quite a bit of iconic.
और अब
character.
बकिंगम भी कर लिया.
उतना iconic है, oh my god.
नहीं मतलब मैं रेंज की बात कर रहा था. But yeah, two of the most iconic female characters
Sure, yeah.
in the
So
industry.
who do you
fair
have
enough.
for Pooh?
I'm going first.
Yeah.
Okay, you can first.
I have Suhana Khan.
Who?
Suhana Khan, bro.
Who's Suhana Khan?
Shah Rukh Khan's
Shah Rukh Khan's
from the
daughter,
Archies.
dude.
Suhana Khan, sorry.
So तेरी पिक्चर में तो एक्चुअल बैठेगा, तेरा रायचंद नहीं,
हाँ,
but she's
correct.
not Raichand's daughter.
But,
Sorry, I
but
take
somewhere
it back.
in, somewhere
Bro,
in that.
Suhana Khan would be amazing as Pooh.
Really?
110%.
What, you've seen her act?
But she was quite subdued in Archies. She wasn't the bubbly one.
No. So that's what I'm. So Archie's को भूल जाओ.
Then where
That's
have
the
you seen
only
it in-
proof of
No.
concept I
So
have.
no, I think so. जो कैरेक्टर उसने आर्चीज में कैरी किया ना,
हाँ.
मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि उसी कैरेक्टर को अगर वो यहाँ खेले ना तो वो एप्ट बैठ जाएगा.
उसी कैरेक्टर को?
वो अगर पू बना दे तो वो एप्ट
पर
बैठ
वो
जाएगा.
नहीं ना, वो तो थोड़ी soft है Archies में.
Yeah,
She's
that's
not the
She,
sassy one.
I think she'll be
Sassy.
able to pull Pooh off. I think she could be the best Pooh
But
casting.
you are saying this based off of what? Just vibes.
बस vibes. bro. it's good vibes. Good vibes everywhere.
Okay, so your sister pair.
Also,
Hard
I
disagree,
think
yeah,
I
hard
think
disagree.
I think she can. So she will be a great pair with Ishan Khattar. I think she
Okay.
is जो Pool. So I wanted Pooh to be the youngest of the lot.
Ah, of course.
ठीक है.
Yeah.
And I think she fits the bill the best because she will be able to carry in my mind vibes. ठीक है. She'll be great as a pairing with Khattar. And I think
Shraddha Kapoor
Huh?
as the elder sister.
as elder sister of course. And पता नहीं आपको आरजी दिख क्यों नहीं आया कि वो
I
ऐसी
kind
vibes
of
होंगी.
I get what you're going for. In concept, it seems like good casting. I don't know. I mean, not that it's going to happen in reality,
sure.
or may or may not. I don't know, but it's interesting. I would say that it's just that we've never seen Suhana.
Yeah,
Khan as-
so that's what na. Newcomer.
Sure.
Okay.
Who do you
So you
have?
guys might be surprised by
Oh,
my
really?
cast.
No,
really?
no shit.
So see,
We
firstly,
weren't at all when you said Shah Rukh as Raichal.
Pulka
so
Padi.
you had cast Kiara somewhere, no? What was your Kiara?
Kiara was Kajol.
Kajol's character.
Kajol second choice.
Firstly, I think Kiara would be a good option. Okay, but I have more. This is not my main choice.
Yeah.
But just throwing it out there, I think Kiara would do this as a good
Wow.
job of it because she already feels like she can play this role very well in her everyday life. Also, she feels like she can do that.
Bro,
अब मेरे पीछे कौन है ये जो
Kiara,
मेरे पीछे देखता है?
एक second. Isn't Kiara too mature for Poo's character?
But she's done those kind of
So she's done, but इसका कौन सा character किया है Poo जैसा? कोई भी नहीं किया.
मतलब सिमिलर तो
कोई भी नहीं किया.
सुहाना ने तो रोल ही नहीं किया तो बात ही मत कर भाई, ठीक है
एक सेकंड
Wow, you
बात ही मत
touched the
करो।
nerve there.
ब्रो नहीं एक सेकंड आप ये देख रहे हो कि मैं बोल रहा हूँ जस्टिफाई करूँ तो कह रहा तू छूते है.
What about his
तुम अपना
what
बताओ
about
ना.
his See, I'll tell you. Kiara has this like bubbly vibe. Do you not feel
Bro,
that?
that Suhana also has.
Okay, fine. We're not pitting them against each
हाँ,
other.
so-
She doesn't
Fine,
have
bro.
that bubbly a vibe.
Bro, अच्छा anyway, fuck that.
Huh?
Tell me why Kiara? Because so Kiara literally has been playing mother, wife and all these characters.
Okay.
Suddenly वो college girl कैसे play कर सकती है आपके mind में?
Bro, ऑफिस जाने वाली थोड़ा चेंज कर देने का. Don't logistics में इतना मत पड़ो यार तुम लोग.
चलो ठीक
But see, but Kiara, as I said, is not my main
Okay,
option.
okay, yeah.
One person, how do I put this? So basically, this actor gets trolled a lot.
अनन्या पांडे की बात कर रहे हो क्या
Have,
आप?
have.
Bro,
My
अनन्या
choice is
पांडे
also
so
Ananya
पता है
Pandey.
अनन्या
Dude,
पांडे
उसकी
was
पूरी
so-
personality
yeah,
poo पे
so
based है
Ananya
यार.
Pandey was very out there. That's
Call
why I
me
didn't-
Bae is
Call
all-
me Bae, exactly.
Exactly.
what poo
So
is.
it was
That's the
very
thing.
out there. That's why I didn't cast her.
I feel like she, of all these actors, would fit this perfectly
I agree.
in today's world.
Bro, again, as I said, I agree. I agree. She's a very good fit for Pooh.
Yeah.
But I think उससे भी better सुहाना कर पाएगी.
Oh, based on what?
Bro, मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ ना मेरी नजर कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर की नजर है.
That is
आपको
the
बता रहा
most ridiculous argument ever, bro. How is
ए
this?
अभी आपने मेरे को कियारा का जो आर्गुमेंट दिया उससे बेटर है ये. ठीक है.
I mean,
Suhana seems
you're
very-
again. I was still arguing about you choosing Suhana only,
Bro,
bro.
great, मैं
Both
आपको
those
बता
arguments were about Suhana. Why Suhana's a bad option?
Bro, no, I think Suhana would be great. Would fit great as Pooh.
इतना confidence.
But based on what?
इतना शाहरुख को भी
So
नहीं
मैं
confidence.
आपको- मैं
If
आपको
you're
बताता
asking
हूँ.
me based
So-
on what? Based on what?
So मैं आपको बताता हूँ. Vibes. ठीक है. But anyway,
ये
नहीं.
vibes पे ही जा रहा है.
नहीं एक्चुअली सो सुहाना ने एक कॉलेज फिल्म करी है ठीक है जिसमें उसकी बहुत तारीफ हुई थी जो मैंने नहीं देखी.
तेरी माँ की आँख साले. तूने देखी भी नहीं है?
इसको क्रश है
What are you
सुहाना
talking
पे.
about, dude?
और ये देखना चाहता है सुहाना को as
ब्रो
Pooh.
नहीं सुहाना वुड बी ग्रेट. बैक मी अप गाइस. बैक मी अप गाइस.
Based on
See, he's
what?
got it.
That's
Age
it.
appropriateness में I think he's got it pretty spot on.
What
Ananya
was?
is pretty kind of older
See,
than
but
Suhana.
when Kareena did this film,
Yeah.
I think Suhana's younger than that even.
सो सुहाना इज 24 years old. मैंने अभी देखा है
हाँ.
जब मैं कास्ट कर रहा था. तो
How old was Kareena? Good for you, Sneh.
Wow. Dude, I don't see it at all. I've
Bro.
never seen her act. Who's seen her act?
that's what I'm
Anywhere close to this, anyway. And
Okay,
Archie's, like,
Kareena was
you can't
20.
base your thing on Archie's.
Kareena was 20 or 21 when she played Pooh.
Was she really?
Yeah, she's 44 now, so I'm deducting 24 years.
How old was she when she did Refugee, bro?
2 years ago, 2 years earlier than that, so 18 or 19.
Wow, that was young.
That's
man,
the
yeah.
official age, of course.
Okay, then
नीचे होगा.
Suhana at least age-wise makes sense.
हाँ,
but
that's what I'm saying.
nothing else makes
It's like,
sense.
I see what he's going for.
See,
It's
he
just that
sees it.
We don't
But
have.
bro, there are no other 24-year-old actresses.
Why are you so offended at Suhana playing Pooh, bro? It's okay.
Bro, I'm
Did
not-
we throw off it when you cast Shah Rukh as Raichal? It's like, okay, fine.
No, but that's because
It's
it
your
makes sense.
take.
No, this makes. What is he basing it on? He's saying if he's not basing it on Archie's.
Instagram.
I'm telling you bro. So Archie's वाला character अगर
How
थोड़ा
you
और
think
bubbly हो.
Suhana's better than Ananya's also beyond
अरे
me?
मेरे को बोलने तो.
Sorry. Hey, I'm just.
इतने गुस्सा हो रहा है क्या?
So I think it's like मतलब मुझे लगता है आर्चीज का कैरेक्टर अगर और बबली हो जाता है तो वो 110% Pooh है bro.
That wasn't her character in Archie. She's playing Veronica, who's like this hoity-toity sort
Yeah.
of rich girl. But kind of get what he's going for.
See?
Like, on
I mean,
paper, it seems.
I get what he's going for just because of the age appropriateness. Then. Dude, I'm making that Ananya
Hey,
Pandey
in
fits
this kind
in
of
this.
a mold,
also,
she fits, bro.
Also,
Ananya
I did
Pandey.
not.
मैं
I
एक-
actually,
She's
एक
not
ये-
bad in Call Me Babe. She's good. I would
I
say.
actually-
मुझे तो अच्छा लगा.
I quite
Call
liked
Me
Ananya in that the other
खो गए हम
movie.
कहाँ?
बोले, हाँ,
Yeah,
खो गए
even
हम
I
कहाँ?
liked it.
Khoga
So
Ramka,
that
she
was-
was good, man.
yeah, that was good,
If
man.
given this kind of role,
Yeah.
urban chick
Correct.
who's obsessed
Yeah.
with social media, then she
Up-
does well.
I still think so. I still
उसके
think-
बावजूद सुहाना
हाँ,
better है.
सुहाना
साले।
bro, सुहाना, the golden girl.
Wow. I like that we all support nepotism.
अरे जब मैं कास्ट कर रहा था मैंने
Nepotism rocks.
सोचा
Nepotism rocks.
भाई को शाहरुख का सन इन लॉ बनना है तो इसके लिए ही इज पुटिंग फॉर
ब्रो एक सेकंड गिवन अ चॉइस कौन ना बोलेगा शाहरुख का सन इन लॉ बनने के
I
लिए
mean,
कोई
but
नहीं बोलेगा यार.
कोई
एग्जैक्टली
प्यार भी तो होना चाहिए ना भाई.
मुझे तो है भाई
हाँ, यही तो पीछे है उसका सुहाना को. एक clip
I
को
gave you
share.
an opportunity to not be a creep.
Okay, guys. My choice is also Ananya Pandey. So
Yes,
great.
we have that. Let's go to Daija, who played by.
So
Daijahn.
I am the least excited about Daijahn because I don't. Oh, anyway, before Suhan, before Daijahn,
Robbie.
do
I
you
have
want
a-
do
okay,
do 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 you want to talk about Robbie character?
Yeah, sure.
Robbie's character.
I have great Robbie.
Even I have a great
Can I
Robbie.
go? Can I go first?
Yes,
So my
please.
Robbie is based on the Suhana Khan casting actually.
Okay, okay.
अच्छा, कौन
So
सा?
first of all, like rest in peace, Vikas Sethi. He recently passed.
Yes. Oh God. Yes. Oh,
Yes,
I'm so sorry.
but
man. Rest in peace,
you
man.
you live in our memories as
Yeah.
Robbie, who went for the movies alone. Who's your Robbie?
Mine. I have a great answer. I think mine is. Okay. So
Mind
I
you,
feel
this
like
is a
this.
2-second role. This is a 1-line role.
Yeah. But I feel like this actor, no, in general, needs to be knocked down a few pegs.
Okay.
Okay, because I think his head is.
भाई
a
episode
little-
नहीं release हो रहा है.
His head is a little too big
ये
for
कार्तिक
his
आर्यन बोलेगा.
for his pants.
ये
कार्तिक
कार्तिक
आर्यन.
आर्यन बोलेगा.
Varun Dhawan.
What? Bro, I find Varun Dhawan to be a very good actor.
Well,
Okay,
I don't.
very good is pushing it.
Bro,
You
so
find Suhana Khan to be a very good actor.
bro, she is. देख लेना आप. अभी किंग आएगी ना, she'll prove all of you wrong.
Bro,
we'll revisit this
as-
episode
no.
जब किंग आएगी.
Bro, so
So
you're
casting-
basing you're
Bro,
based on current talent.
Casting,
Future talent you can't
bro,
base it on.
casting director का vision होता है. मैं
You
आपको vision
can't
बता
base
रहा
it
हूँ.
on future talent.
If only we had a real casting agent right here. but
He'll
never mind.
agree. He is rubbing his eyes, but he'll agree.
Because it's 12:30 a.m.
yeah, dude.
Damn it.
Shit.
Okay. So I will say my Farida Jalal.
नहीं नहीं एक
रुक ना
सेकंड.
भाई, हम
रॉबी
लोग
तो.
ने बताया अपने Robbie.
Oh sorry मैं भूल गया. Robbie के बाद
Who's your Robbie?
My Robbie is Siddhant Chaturvedi.
has okay.
Okay.
I
Fair.
just want him to be shut down by Ananya Pandey as a payback for
Oh,
his
that's great.
dig on her. And
Oh,
Great, dude. That is
tell
great.
me how it was.
That's
is
nice.
great,
That's
dude.
nice.
Nice.
Uh,
तो
my
ऐसे तो सोनम कपूर और राजकुमार राव भी हो सकता है.
my Robbie.
हाँ.
So अब पिक्चर पेंट कर रहा हूँ मैं, ठीक है. ईशान खट्टर,
हाँ,
सुहाना खान,
हाँ.
ठीक है. My Robbie is Agastya Nanda, bro.
It's a good choice.
है ना? Thanks, guys.
Agastyananda has a very Robbie face.
Yeah, no, bro. Also, he also seems like that guy जो ऐसा like movie tonight.
You know, I feel like
and Suhana
No,
will like,
but-
tell
but-
me out,
but
bro.
you see-
I'm amazing.
I feel Agastya Nanda would never do this kind of a role.
The man thing is like, see, in
Yeah.
Siddhant
ये-
Chaturvedi is an
ये-
established
ये-
actor.
ये
Varun Dhawan
दोस्ती
is
में
an
करेगा.
established actor. So इस film में just to take a dig, a big-ish name should
doesn't
be doing.
fit. Yeah.
No, again, I get what he's going for.
Bro, ये वो होगा.
Stop saying you get what he's going for. Dude. Do you agree
By
or
the
do you
way,
not?
Agastyananda recently invested in this restaurant called Project Hum, where Ananya Pandey often goes in Bandra.
Project Hum is
So,
a
yeah.
very good restaurant, by the way.
Yeah.
If you guys want to visit it,
So
it's a very
he's
good
now
restaurant.
a very good. I don't know why we're plugging it, but
Yeah.
anyway, back to your choice.
Bro,
of
Agastya
Robbie.
Nanda, bro, I think it fits perfectly. Age appropriate है और मस्त. आप सोचो ना, सुहाना
see.
खान चलते हुए आ रही है, and then suddenly camera pans to Agastya Nanda.
But
Okay,
and there's
I'll
something,
tell you,
there's
right?
something
See.
really earnest about Agastya. It doesn't seem like a dick. Robbie is a dick.
So
Robbie
see,
is not a dick. Yeah,
Of
Robbie
course
is
he's a
trying
dick. The thing is,
to.
no, the thing
He's
is-
trying to
Tonight.
woo Suhana. She's
think
not
of it
agreeing.
like it's a humor perspective also, in the sense that
And we
character
all
is
know how
basically the butt
funny
of the joke.
Karthik Aryan is, guys.
No,
नहीं
that
नहीं
role is
उसने
basically
तो
the
कार्तिक आर्यन से
he's-
वरुण धवन बोला.
Yeah, I did.
Oh,
Varun
sorry,
Dhawan.
Varun
But see, listen. We think that character is basically the butt of the joke. Wouldn't it
Yeah.
be a way funnier role if an established actor does it than Agastya Nandan,
I mean,
because most
to
people.
be fair, in the original K3G, it wasn't.
It wasn't an
No,
established
correct.
actor.
But now that we are recasting an already fucking classic film,
Yeah, I agree with your point, but then I mean, yeah,
I mean, all of our small roles are being played by main actors, like fucking this thing and all, dude.
we haven't. This is the first small role we are casting.
Oh, I did Nani Dadi, sorry.
yeah,
And Laddu.
which you gave to Ratna Pathak. and Supriya Pathak.
अंतरिक्ष का पूरा एपिसोड खुद के ही अराउंड घूम रहा है
And you de-aged
He's like-
Arjun Kapoor
he's
to
like,
make
तुम
him-
दोनों को मैं सुन ही नहीं रहा मेरा कास्टिंग बेस्ट है
Bro, it is, man. People will agree.
But
So-
sure, so Varun Dhawan,
Agastya
Agastya Nanda,
Nanda.
and Siddhant Chaturvedi.
कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर बिहाइंड द कैमरा टेल अस आपने कभी खुशी कभी हम देखिए ही सेज यस गाइस
Imagine if we said no.
He just wants to
best-
go to bed right now.
बेस्ट रॉबी कौन बनेगा भाई वरुण धवन सिद्धांत चतुर्वेदी और अगस्त्य नंदा
रॉबी याद है कौन था ना मूवी में? नहीं, वही था ना भाई.
Movie tonight.
he just doesn't
He's-
want to get into the
Yeah, he just
controversy at this
yeah.
point. He's like मेरे को काम see comes from the same mindset. उसको काम करना इंडस्ट्री में, he won't make a comment.
यार,
see he
Bro,
laughed.
काम मिलने वाला है, मिल जाएगा ब्रो. तू अपनी डेस्टिनी को फाइट नहीं कर
तेरे
सकता.
को नहीं मिलने वाला.
हाँ, तो ठीक है ना, नहीं मिलेगा, मतलब नहीं मिलने वाला है. बिंदास, tension
चलो anyway the last casting Farida Jalal.
Farida Jalal ji.
I think Farida Jalal should play Farida Jalal.
Farida Jalal, मेरा भी वही है यार. But guys,
No,
let's
no,
just
no,
can we?
guys.
Okay, you have one. Go ahead.
So I think. Listen, okay, give me
Please-
time to
please-
explain my answer.
Please
Oh
don't
my
say
God.
Rekha.
No.
अच्छा फिर ठीक है. और नीना गुप्ता.
नहीं bro.
नहीं wait, कुछ भाई legend
So basically,
आने वाला है.
I feel, although that actress is no more.
Bro फिर तो
सुनना भाई. Although the actress is no more, I feel the perfect Farida Jalal would have been played by Nargis Dutt, the mother of Sanjay Dutt. Because the entire movie, Farida Jalal keeps saying, Mera Baba. And who is Baba in the industry? Sanju Baba. You get it. Thank you guys. I'll be out of here. That's it. That's my time. Okay. My real answer, as usual, is Shiba Chadda. Is what.
Yeah, I thought Shiba Chadda, but it's a
It's
little
yeah, done.
demeaning to cast her in that role, right?
Why?
Because she's such a good actress. You're gonna give her
Farida Jalal
this.
is a bad actress?
But no, but she's so was known. ये वो हमने वो करना बंद कर दिया ना जब हम माँ एक एक्ट्रेस माँ
हाँ.
निरूपा माँ ही बनती थी हर चीज में. Like we had those. Farida Jalal was like the motherly
Exactly.
figure.
So
we
Farida-
stopped doing that. So now if you
But you guys are just being lazy by saying Farida
why
Jalal
did,
was
why
like
did you
that.
look around? I think Farida Jalal will walk in.
But you guys have not even recast it.
So
So mine
bro,
is
what I'm
the
saying,
better
I
option.
think
I really
Like that
tried.
too, couldn't the
So
entire movie?
can I explain why?
Yeah.
Because I think Farida Jalal was a way better actress than she got the kind of roles she got. Right.
So you wanted to repeat her same role? Yes. How is that?
No. So
then I
I'll
would
tell you.
write off the.
So I'll tell you. So नहीं I'll tell you
यार
what.
अभी तक मैं बोल रहा था अमिताभ को अमिताभ प्ले करना चाहिए.
नहीं मैं
शाहरुख को
आपको
शाहरुख को
अरे
play
नहीं
करना
आपके
चाहिए.
आर्ग्यूमेंट्स नहीं है ना हमारे हैं. सुनो.
What is this argument?
बेसिस नहीं है ना आपके हमारे पास हैं. हम
नहीं.
लॉजिकल बात कर रहे
भाई
हैं.
तू सुहाना का चूज किया है भाई तू रहने दे. और बोल. अपना
नो
base
सो
बोल.
आई टेल यू. सो एक तो फरीदा जलाल जैसे कैरेक्टर्स अब लिखने बंद हो गए हैं. ठीक है. फॉर दैट बीइंग वन.
लिखे
सुनो.
जाने.
हाँ
वो Catherine
अब लिखे जाने बंद हो गए हैं.
हाँ.
तो वैसे अब एक्टर्स ही नहीं है आज के टाइम में. सो आई रीकास्टेड एक्चुअली फरीदा जलाल एंड माई रीकास्टिंग वाज सीमा.
Again, dude, such a thankless role for such a great actress.
But why is it really that thankless? She gets some very good, dude. That crying moment, that moment always makes it to yourself like Daizan, DJ, whatever. The tying the shoelaces.
Yeah,
thing.
DJ.
Great moment.
Can I like? So that role has not aged well. Okay, you can't imagine Seema Power tying Shahid Kapoor's shoelaces and crying.
शाहिद कपूर नहीं ईशान खट्टर.
Bro,
हाँ,
are you
Ishan
saying
Khattar,
rich
sorry.
people don't have nannies anymore?
No, but
What are you talking about,
but
dude?
it's such a like she's just there as a plot device कि ये पहचाने की उसको छोटे बेटे को, which is how the plot will advance.
So no.
Bro, see, पहली बात तो रोल छोटा नहीं होता, bro. You have to think like that.
Actor
like,
बोल रहे हैं.
yeah,
Acting class वाला.
yeah.
Abbas bhai, coming from you,
Yeah.
कोई रोल छोटा नहीं होता.
हाँ सही बात है. जैसे बारटेंडर वाले रोल तो भाई
Exactly. Sorry, कुछ रोल छोटे होते हैं. Oh sorry, I stand corrected. I stand
जो
corrected.
फिल्म के लीड को ऐसे ड्रिंक देते हैं और बोलते हैं एक पर एक फ्री सर,
हाँ.
जो उनको समझाते हैं हैप्पी आवर क्या
क्या
होता है.
Yeah, so an actor wouldn't really care if it's in
I
something
don't know
this
how to
classic.
explain it. I feel like all these Shiba Chadda, Seema Pao, they're too good an actress to be.
But bro, so
That's what I'm saying. And she
think of
never
it as
got
an-
the kind of roles
but
that
bro,
she
you can
deserved.
always just think of it as a cameo then. No, like it doesn't have to be.
No, it's not. A
It's like
cameo,
3
it's-
scenes Farida Jalal has.
No
Right?
bro, she has good enough screen space.
That's true actually. She does.
She does
But
have
like small
proper
roles,
screen
why-
space
why,
है
why
भाई
will they-
उनका.
Why will they mind that? It's a role.
And Shiba Chadda
Also, we
actually
have in previous episodes. Sorry, please go ahead.
Shiba Chadda has actually done a role in Bad News. देखा आपने वो कितना रोल है?
हाँ वो उसमें भी मुझे भी लगा था कि क्यों
So
waste
I
कर
agree.
दिया
I
Shiba
agree.
Chadda
So
को.
the thing is कि ना अगर हम लोग इस एलिमेंट पे चले जाए ना कि एक्टर को वेस्ट कर दिया है, तो हम कभी किसी एक्टर को कास्ट नहीं कर पाएंगे. ऐसा
हाँ.
मुझे लगता है.
Yeah, I agree.
And that's why I think I went for
Seema Pawa.
She's an amazing actress. And I
Yes,
think
agreed.
आज के टाइम में जो वो ममता वाला चेहरा है ना जो फरीदा जलाल ने बनाया था
हाँ.
वो आई थिंक सीमा पावा से बेटर कोई नहीं बना पाएगा.
yeah.
बट आई स्टिल थिंक जो कैरेक्टर्स फरीदा जलाल वाले होते थे वो कैरेक्टर फरीदा जलाल से बेटर और कोई प्ले
So
नहीं
we
कर सकता.
can say this, that in our version that role will be a little more meatier, like she'll have more to do.
But
If
that
you
we,
cast
I was
Seema Pawa,
about
if
to say
I
this
cast Shiva
only, that
Chadda.
we've already decided that some elements of these films would have to change.
Sure, yeah.
वो तो
Depending on
चलो
the actor,
हाँ,
depending on
it's been
the
20
times,
years यार to the
Yeah.
film.
depending on the time,
20,
depending on the actor, yeah.
23.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But yeah, I think I won that entire casting. Thank you so much. You guys just let me know or
Yeah,
sing
tell
my
us
praises,
who-
please, in the
Tell us
comments.
who won this
Yes.
round. So let's do a quick recap once again.
Yes,
for
we
all
Yeah,
should.
our-
चलो
Absolutely
फटाफट
right.
quick से
So
recap कर लेते हैं.
our Amitabh Bachchan / Mr. Raichan, mine was Nasuruddin Shah.
Mine was the Badshah himself, SRK.
Okay.
Nandini / Jaya Bachchan for me was Supriya Patak.
Mine was Shefali Shah.
Mine was Rekha first, but then Dimple Kapadia.
Rahul / Shah Rukh Khan for me was Shahid Kapoor.
For me also it was Shahid Kapoor.
I wish I had gone with Shahid Kapoor, but mine was Vicky Kaushal.
Okay. Anjali / Kajol for me was Taapsee Pannu.
For me it was Shraddha Kapoor.
Mine was sorry, Anjali is Kajol. Okay, Anushka Sharma. I thought
Okay.
what would be perfect in that.
Rohan / Hrithik Roshan for me was Ishan Khattar.
Ishan Khattar.
And my Hrithik was same as you guys, Ishan Khattar as well. Yes.
Okay. Pooh for me / Kareena Kapoor was Ananya Pandey.
Ananya Pandey.
Suhana Khan. The best one guys.
The
Let's move on.
worst one.
Robbie / Vikas Sethi for me was Siddhant Chaturvedi.
Agastya Nanda.
Varun Dhawan.
Again, this was the best one for me.
So how can
And,
you? You know you're wrong. That's
no,
why you gotta
bro,
say that.
no.
Thanks.
Nobody's wrong, guys. Everybody's right in the room.
Except for Sneha and
Daija
Abbas.
/ Farida. नहीं क्या?
Farida Jalal.
Farida Jalal. Sorry. What the fuck? Daija / Farida Jalal for me was Shiba Chadda.
Seema Pawa.
My DJ was SC Shiva Chadda.
Oh yeah, she's called DJ in the movie.
Yeah.
I totally forgot that. So
Also, not DJ. I
Oh,
realize
huh.
it's DJ,
DJ.
not
Sorry.
DJ. It's a soft D. I realized it this time. I always thought
Oh.
it was DJ. It's DJ like Daija.
Also, I just realized मैंने लड्डू लिखा था पता है कि मैं किसको कास्ट करूंगा.
किसको?
And I have written myself. Because I've recently
तू
put
मोटा भी
some.
नहीं है बहन।
भाई मैंने अभी weight gain
Bro,
किया
I
है
thought
यार.
what happened to age appropriate suddenly?
तो
भाई
मैं होना
लोग भूल
चाहिए।
जाते हैं क्या? लोग भूल जाते
Bro,
हैं.
एक सेकंड. अगर आप DH कर
मैं-
सकते हो अर्जुन कपूर को तो मैं खुद को भी कर सकता
But
हूँ.
your
मेरे
own
version
argument
में-
you're going against.
मेरे
bro.
वर्जन में वो
तेरे
पतला
argument-
होगा और उसके बाल भी आएंगे.
Yeah. What is this? Laddu तो एक भी
Yeah. So yeah, that was our recasting for K3G.
Yeah.
Tell us who you think is the best recasting, and if you have any options. for
Also, let us know
recasting.
who you think can say Chandu ki chacha the
खुद नहीं
fastest.
बोल पा रहा है.
चंदू की चाचा ने चंदू की चाची को चांदनी चौक में चांदी के चम्मच चटनी चटाई.
You said it wrong.
चटनी चटाई.
You said
Finally
it
got
wrong in
it.
the end. You said one part wrong.
नहीं भाई.
Yeah,
चंदू के चाचा.
यही है.
It's चंदू के चाचा ने चंदू की चाची को चांदनी रात में चांदनी चौक में चंदू की चम्मच चटनी चटाई.
चंदू के चम्मच से चटनी चटाई.
हाँ नहीं.
चांदी के चम्मच.
Yeah, so I said it wrong also, but you also said it wrong. You also said it
क्या
wrong.
बोला मैंने? चंदू के चाचा ने चंदू की चाची को चांदनी रात में चांदनी चौक में चांदी की चम्मच से चटनी चटाई. सही तो है.
अब
भाई लोग 1 बजने वाला है. I think
अच्छा
हमको
सॉरी
घर
गाइस
जाना
सॉरी
चाहिए.
या वासु एक्चुअली हैज वर्क हम तो नल्ले हैं बट एनीवे सी यू गाइस इन द नेक्स्ट एपिसोड प्लीज सब्सक्राइब टू द चैनल
Tell us who won this episode. What do
Yes.
you think? And Mr. Maharaja, we are waiting for your comments.
Yes, yes.
I wonder which
10,000
yes,
rupees.
I wonder
super
which
chat.
religion you're converting to this time.